so?
Me rust upon them a bush. What?
Me there, you know?
See you just in the yard boring so.
I don't know, me just see for long because I'm tired just in the house.
So come back go down the road now.
No, girl, I'm tired. Can't come on the road there.
What make?
Sun all hot. You know, see sun hot, then you walk up and down smoke.
So what wrong with that?
You don't feel that?
What?
No cancer, nothing. You're not free that.
For why? If you're dead, if you feel dead, you go dead.
And yeah, the sun hot, I'm tired. I'm not left tired.
So you're too bored, we need some friend, we need to go on the road. So where you come from?
Where you come from?
Because you say you're tired.
I'm tired. I did go to class. I'm just coming. Look about something. Come on, I go on the road and stuff. So look about something. And yeah, sit down and wait until she come back. I'm left tired. Sun hot.
So make we go down the road and just go down the road and come back.
One at a time. I'm tired bad.
Every day I want next time for you. You're too boring.
I tell you I'm tired. And you constantly say I'm bored. How am I bored? My days are chatty. And I like it in the house I come home in the outer door, you know.
Let me show you sit down.
How that stay?
You just sit down so. What would you say I look funny? Bamboo? Tree? Grass? You never see bush? So you're not used to bush?
Yeah. And then like just gonna take the cool breeze.
Oh, so wait there. You not feel cool breeze at the time?
Yeah.
You no pass?
Yeah.
You no go?
Yeah.
You no come?
Yeah, it go and come every day.
Okay. Say you no feel it?
Yeah.
You no go class, you no feel it?
Yeah.
I'm sure not when you go class as son you walking. Okay, you can't tell me say taxi.
But umbrella music.
Umbrella. My girl, what do you see her pass in the brawling sun?
You never make it look so.
And you tell me say, you hot. You don't feel breeze. You tired. Oh, it's alright.
I'm gonna go down the road. I'm gonna buy something. So come and make it all.
Yeah, man. Too boring. Hey, Ross. It's shop lock.
Yeah, which one?
Come back here now, because you. Miss wife on my pocket. We are going TV. Oh, you need for TV, man. We are going TV. Yeah, we'll talk to you now.
We are going to talk to you, man.
Anything, just struck one conversation. You are going to pick one. You are going to talk to me now.
Jesus Christ. All right.
Come on.
Chappy.
Ross, you know there.
Chappy. You know what me, Chap? I want bag soap and I want big soda.
You ever see shop on Sunday? Where you get that
Yeah.
from? You ever see me open on Sunday?
Sometime.
Sometime.
Yeah,
Well,
sometime.
me not open to the final shop though.
You know, night. Doing night part.
Girl, me a Christian, me not open on Sunday.
Alright. Now go on the shop then.
Alright, later, Chappy. Girl, TV4.
Wait there. So Chappy, how you see a Christian in here drink rum? How that make sense?
The Bible say when a man thirst, let him drink. You don't
So
understand?
go drink water.
Me dey tell you some more water.
Go drink water. Oh, we got turn in a wine, no water.
Yeah, water and Tony wine in a. But a wine have. The king can turn it in a water, wine. And this is rum. Little girl, take your time, go on. Like some kind of rum.
Kind of junk. Who you to? I need to me now. You must charge. I need to me now.
How long me wait for you?
Come, cuz, hurry up. But I eat some food. Before I eat some hard. Back the phone, now, man. What wrong with you?
So, me don't just have a phone in my pocket, so.
Hello. I the one XR me have. I beg you to take it out to your pocket and give me. Pass the phone, give me now. Sure. Me are not in a man in activity.
So, you tell me, say, I too early me come out and go pick my pocket down the phone.
Which girl pick your pocket? Which girl that's so bright to thief my phone?
Cause two girls just come here so while ago.
Hello, listen to me, TB. You're sure it's not a woman you bribe with the phone to get their number?
Why never do that? Why never do that? Cause never hear them something.
No man, get up. Check good. Check yourself good, man. Look good. It is a son that drink rum. I make two look scatter hell girl thief my phone. Me not see no girl pan a road with no phone. I mean, this girl my phone, I go beat them and take my phone. Me an idiot. Hello, chat on my phone. Use your phone and chat my phone. No. Cause anyway I broke the girl, you mash me and mash them up. Get up. You they come with me. But you know they look, you picture them.
So when them take you out of my pocket?
When they focus on them, I look them. We are look woman. If you never look them, they will thief you. A too big body woman? A too big woman? Big 30-year-old woman? Eh?
I must sign this.
Me say what too big woman rob you?
No, too young girl.
If you make too young pitney rob you, here. Come, go on.
Yo, where your phone say there?
Go that way there.
That way there?
That way there. Walk that way there. I don't know if you read this there. Walk along that way there. Move no damn dog. Alright. Wait.
What?
You cut a aeroplane up so turn so. Cause me don't know if it work them a sit me you know.
Yo, man, I can't go last me, you know.
Hello, me want my phone. Walk go so. Listen, girl. Phone. I'm not gonna keep me no want. Yeah, go hold your phone there. Yo, brother. Just hold your phone there. Just hold it. Let's see. Come. Yeah, walk up.
See you
Which little girl?
and them discuss.
No want my phone. How should I take up your phone?
Mister, when time we turn up, the girl dipping in the man pocket so. I take out the
Hold your phone.
Timmy, Mister.
Then in front of him, they what should he tell him? Behind you. How me take out the phone in front of you?
Oh, you see with the phone,
Why
let's
don't you
see.
even phone, little girl?
You know, so I should have called the police for the tour.
Come on, come up here, some woman. Wait, we are thief. We are thief for phone. We are thief for phone.
Yo, coach.
Move now! Yeah, man, them let a little bad girl beat up you. So you girl to a concubine. Yeah, idiot. You know, man.
Take time with me, no me drunk.
Stop drink. Go some man. Go some with phone there. Go so. So if you go,
Take time with me.
me can't make girl come beat up you and say you're a big man. It's a shame and disgrace for your TB.
It's when I really got put myself in and got take up thieving friend. She got thief phone from the man and then come and say me thief phone, you know. After she pick him man pocket and turn up a chat to him, man, you know. God do me a beg you. Me just want then as a community and you know, no problem. No why am I gonna take up no thief, this a thieving friend now. Jesus Christ.
Man, any day me bought them pick any day. Both of them face with my teeth phone. Nobody see no grief me so yet, man.
What going on with you, Kayla?
So look a concubine.
What?
Thief my phone.
So they get to take your phone?
Because me give me cousin TB if you put it on charge, see me?
Oh, you're a hot girl, right? High phone. And can't buy a charger. Sell the phone and buy a charger. Better you do that because we don't see sense.
Come in, nobody grieve me at the man. Come in, I'm a right mind. Me a mad girl, you know. I'm not have to knock you over. Me mad, you hear?
If you tell us if you sell the phone and buy a charger,
You idiot?
why sense we go have a phone and have a charger? It makes sense we don't have no phone.
Why make sense me have a charger and have a phone? What am I going to use the charger though? Must plug in your ears wall.
No, you can't use the charger up your nose.
No, you shut up your mouth. You chat too much, you should run out a battery for chat.
So I say you're gonna... So which two girls and
Me don't know them. Anyway, me bought them two little thief there. Me a deal with them. Me beat one. You can't be say me a TB. Big man like a TB, me a TB good day. TB make a girl a beat him.
No, you know...
And I tell me say chewing junk.
You should expect better say
Eh?
your cousin drink too much.
Me think chewing high, you that active already. Fi work. But he just drunk.
The thing is, you know, there's two sides of the story, you know. How the girl them get the phone?
Pick them, pick TB. Tell me chat to TB.
I'm picking.
Yeah. You set up a chat here and pick you. All this, where your teeth this from?
Me look like a thief still.
Me no
Me
know
look
you're a
like me
thief.
a walk a thief.
Yeah, like you're a thief. You're a criminal. You're a crook.
Is that what me a wait for right now if you get to the one guess house?
Right now, me get that. Oh, guess what? So, yeah, I gotta guess what I can't come in.
Me can't
Me
get
and
a
a
walk.
friend.
No, me can't get a walk round there, but me can't. Can
Can
you?
I work?
Anything you want to do?
Alright, when you go on there?
Maybe night later, I'll check your boss. Cause,
Alright, I have to call me, you know. Call me on phone, cause look, I could lose the work.
but if you get the work, you know, say I have to give me 1 2 grand a week.
Me no have the money, I get a 2 grand a week. You know the work too. You give me your money? No. So you want my money for do?
And me get the work.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, Papa. You give me the work, right?
Uh-huh.
When you know the work said time.
Yeah.
So where you want my money? And I make money too. Probably I'll get bigger money than me. You want my little money? You know what's your minimum wage?
16,000, you know.
How money that? Is that money?
Kinda.
That cannot even full my belly one night good.
No, kinda, because and the money, because we spend more
And the
than
money that-
15,000 a day. True, you're right. You're really right.
So
One,
me
no.
account that or figure time. When me give you 2,000, what me left with? $0. Me not the money.
Alright, take your time, go on.
Sure,
But me call you still.
and be careful of them little girl. Let me tell you, me describe them. One of them black, like a granny Dutch pot.
Oh.
And he head short. And the front red out like a concubine.
Oh.
And he can't no come back. Cause me know you're good on your work. You love top people, you love people business. I mean, no one them pick you.
No, listen.
You see that you have a sir? Can I phone that?
iPhone
iPhone, how much that?
13 Pro Max.
Pro Max.
512 gig or 6 gig. or
They
whatever.
might give you to your hand when you don't need to chat, you love chat to people. The other one short. We don't know if you describe him because nothing in the world look like a sheep.
Alright.
Yes.
Alright.
Later.
Alright, we safe. We just
Yeah.
wait for somebody right here to go
Alright.
to the place. Take so long, man.
Boy, sun hot. Tete! Yeah! Come here, girl. And you don't chat to me, no, because you made them beat me because you got teeth on and tell
But I couldn't do
nothing more. But me go to jump in there and say, oh, girl, don't be. No, girl, me can't. You don't see them delete the pass? But you go down your teeth man.
You ever
your
hear-
teeth before.
Listen to me. You ever hear when man a ras donkey and you go bloop on the back of them body? Yes, that's how me then there for you. No, sir, girl. You come like a boxing day and me couldn't do that.
What no?
So come me cook a link French and nothing fishy, come on.
Me fi trust you.
You not trust me because I'm not on shelf. Me look like good see me in a shop.
Listen to me. Where you go look for girl go do it now?
So we can sit down and chat.
You not deep now.
Why would I?
You sure?
Yes, girl, come on.
Hey, come on.
It's pity. She just come pull up a people place and she know me not like them dirty style. Couldn't pan it out. She also want clean up and she don't me she clean up the place. Now come now and get ram stick. Wait! Me not take out my expensive chain and put right here so. You know. Now tell me, say, the girl bring her friend over here so I make she teeth me cheat. Just wait. Just wait, come here, I got me say.
Come on, girl, we see we can make money off.
I'm just wishing people man something.
Shut up, brother, nobody know.
So
Shappy, good evening. Shappy,
Thief, I wanna come back here.
Me not thief.
we are the thief. Me say my auntie come from foreign, you know, but he give me that chain and I don't want it. I want big money.
Let
So,
me see.
come in here like gold. Me want that for the buy.
Oh, but
It's bad, don't it?
no. How much you sell it for?
Give me 50 grand, man.
50 grand.
Real, man. Feel weight.
Oh, where you get it from?
My auntie care from foreign, brother.
You're sure?
Yes, brother, Pinky swear, dog.
Where she get it from?
Same thing as you tell her. Auntie.
No, where she get it from?
Auntie come from and gear.
You say you want 50 grand for?
Yeah, man, dog. So
So come not take out the money now. Yeah, look for the something say you no see it.
So after me now buy the pussy in a bag, me no must look.
But today in your hand already.
Alright, here we are though. See this are money here. Whole heap of money this.
But
Remember you know, you not sell me nothing you know.
no man, me no see you. How will you be again?
Alright, good. Keep it that way.
Yeah man.
A whole heap of money that.
Yeah man, big up Shappy. Forward, we can go buy American sandwich and food. Come on, God. Yeah man. No, stop me never. You can't come and Shappy shop and see Shappy shop open. Shappy have a lock. No, sir. No, sir. Suppose me be thirsty. Jesus Christ, man. Ooh. Hold on. But Shappy, why you say you shop that?
Rich. Richard, man, Richard. I swear me neck. Sell for me cheap.
Wait, me see something.
Don't touch it, I know how much me pay for.
SP. Where SP depend that?
Power.
Where you get that from?
Yeah, so no argue for free nowadays, but get. Right here.
You know where this come from?
Look for my chain. Me take off my chain and show you.
How you reach that chain there?
What you mean how me reach?
I might chain that me initial in there.
Alright.
SP.
SP. Come like you can see
Tell me say you come over me here.
take care
Where
of
you
it.
reaching at me house? Where you reaching at me
Take care
house?
of him, but no, take time with it. Expensive.
I know cause I'm mine.
Give me chain now. Look for me chain. You know how much for me chain? You can't afford them, a little girl. Me buy me chain for 50,000.
You know how far me get that from me in one box, you know?
Box.
So you know it's a real shit that you know right now you get the something and put it on it, you hear it deep, so it's a real thing. Oh you get me something?
So how much chain?
But me initial play party so me know I'm mine, me make sure mark it SP, S Shania, P
I wear the bad
Prescott.
mind. I wear the bad mind me for me chain.
But me for me own the things.
So how me have your things? Me pay 50,000 for this. Tell me now, how me have your things when
For who?
me buy?
50,000 for who?
Me go to the store go buy.
You know, so me feel like lie tell. A same so me chain look. Same like that. So me chain look.
So I want chain.
And nobody else out there to have it.
I want chain.
But me I tell you, the SP, the penny.
Look a girl. I go to the store go buy my chain. Look for me. First you see them a chain here. 50,000. Me pay for my chain.
You know what? Alright,
Well,
me soon come back to you. Me soon come back to
Better
you.
take your time go where I go on. Judge me for my chain. Just tell me say how I want.
See. Girl. You see two girls pass us a while ago?
Yeah, 2 girls just passed me a while ago.
Where they in there?
One of them in a one joggers, a white top, and one of them in a one yellow dress.
Them same one, just sweet. And them me I go to ride now, because they might get it.
I like it.
Girl, look here, we got a whole heap of money.
You sure how much money worth?
Brother, the money no. Could they have foreign money, money?
What kind of money? Who's by country?
It's a Dominican Republic money.
Who is it for worth?
Oh, my chain. Which chain? My chain on your teeth off of my suitcase. Right there.
Mama, I come here, me to come out to your house, I'll know.
So, I can't buy my chain before you come, you know.
Me no know, ask your friend.
I put on my chain, I take it off of my neck and put it on the suitcase. Come here and say, alright.
Me never saw me sell on a suitcase.
What?
Me never saw me sell on a suitcase.
So, wait there.
Me don't know.
You see all you come me out unexpected, you know. You know, call me, you know, and see no, me can't find me expensive thing now, you know. Just wait, because obviously somebody not eat.
And then, girl, she don't go down negative.
Girl, shut up, because money I got benefit here now. We are after
Put me in the hard for this before we put it.
Anyways,
Don't thief, nothing for nobody. You go put me in a problem.
Thief, me just take it.
You make them beat me and they go and they come beat me for chain now.
Then I beat you.
I may get beat me, so I go beat you.
Oh. Come on.
Chris on Hattie. Yeah, I could have you have to see the guy change your money. Like if you shop for good and no one change your money.
Brother, right now me tired. Me want to come home, go lie down and sleep. Right now, me don't know. You milk up and down from morning. I don't know. Me have my throat all dry. My throat all dry.
Good evening.
Afternoon.
Oh, you have you know your time, man. Afternoon. Why problem? How you know my name?
Where you come from road?
How you know them? Oh,
Because I was here.
that uno such girl I talk about on the TV on the area.
No.
Me not hear it. Repeat now. So,
So that thief.
me no thief. Mother no girl myself.
No, we know from up there, so you always come out the road.
Oh, so you watch me. So you can go and me have a thief.
That's around your friend them, so we know.
Anything me say me hear that uno me look for you.
Uno who?
Anyway.
The two of them.
Exalt me.
I'm glad we saw the face to face.
Oh, hi.
Huh?
We did change the money somewhere. They said they know you take them money. You
They
can't
don't take the Dominican money.
Dominican money. 50 Dominican money. Me fly go there still, you know, so we can buy it from you.
How much?
Huh?
How much?
Mama, you have to make a price.
No, that's how you go. Our word. For the net right now.
Yeah, how much you worth then?
For the net right now, it's 128. But if me go change the phone, $115 we can go to Jamaican dollar.
100.
15 Jamaican dollar. That's the word.
If you're not eating one more time.
What was that?
Listen, she can one chain, you see me? But sell one man. And the man tell her I said the money worth more than what it look like. You see me? The man tell me say it worth more than $50,000.
This?
Yeah.
Peso.
She take a pill. I know she want to change
Peso.
it a little bit.
Worth more than... Which school you go?
What school you go, ma?
Sir, me never go to school.
One
Oh, she
finger this.
homeschooled.
5.
Girl, a 4.
A 5.
A 4.
A 5.
A 4.
5 finger. 4 finger. Me name go school, but me can't count.
Alright, so 100. I'm a fuck, you know, whole list. Wow, we don't know where to get that from. And like a thief when thief people gold chain, sell if you look like nothing. Eh?
And a thief.
Is that disgrace? Young girl, let me see, we not uphold with no slackness. Where you say do the chain?
Sell the chain. Auntie come from the chain and she go sell it.
And she go sell it.
Because she don't like it.
Are you sure it's not a thief in chain?
Or what she tell me that me repeat.
And nobody now buy for chain?
Nobody about the chain?
No.
She said no. Me no know nothing. Me no know at all.
You know?
See you not change the money.
You tell me, tell up to talk to you.
Cause that can be more just cash me walk up and down from
Sorry,
morning. Watch ya!
I just sound like the ugly one, yeah.
Girl! Alright.
Girl, you ever sit down boring?
Oh, me sit down boy, they tell me say me to come out and pop back. How we are go?
Yeah, we are go river. Remember river? We are go villa go swim.
Yeah, money.
How are your mother?
She gone. She must say she go somewhere. And she now come back until 2-3 time. But you know, oh, she stay now. She tell me say she not come back the time and then she pop up. Then I can spend one day now. One day I come back in the night. So that means say no by 6 o'clock, you know, I'm supposed to reach back down, you know.
Alright.
So how far I go?
We just go over villa.
Which one I villa them? One me down your side, one of the we run.
You wanna done there so.
Make sure you know.
Believe in me.
Brother, you see I'm on that things when me go through me
Alright,
have
faith. Have faith.
Make sure you see that camera go kill me now.
You have money?
No?
You have millions?
No, sir.
Why me don't want kill her?
Okay.
Come on.
Yeah, I'm thirsty to say I've got bams of the drink.
Yes,
Come
now
on.
I want back water.
Thief, hold on, girl.
Yeah. See, I'm going to people things again, girl.
Daddy, I can't be smoking.
Well, if you want to leave your yard, make you come and talk now.
No. Smoking not good enough. Smoking can make you good and 6'6".
Girl, me bigger than you, you know. Me your father, you know. You don't suppose if you tell me what to do from what not to do, you know.
But smoking no good. But anyways, me can't go down on the road.
Which part on the road?
We just like go walk something come
Walk
back.
go how far? Where you walk go?
Right down there so and come back.
Down there so where?
Daddy, me just like go walk.
Make sure you don't stay too long.
Alright.
You hear me say?
Yeah.
Wagon.
I try to come here. Long time no see you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, where did they?
Nang I had a study girl.
Oh, good thing you do.
Yeah. We have exam.
Anyways, me I go up there so you come.
Yeah, fine.
What like a girl? Hi. How about this? Give me this.
Girl, what you do? Give girl back
Answer.
her money. Give
Answer.
girl back her money.
Girl, give
Yeah,
me
you
money.
Yeah, you that? Me not give back your money. Come on.
No, give the girl back her.
Girl, go in your yard. Come on.
No, girl.
Daddy. Well, look, girl, let me just take my money.
Where's the while going now?
So, Peter down the road, take my money.
Where you tell me say I go?
Down the road, go walk.
Go do what?
Me say me I go walk.
So now me not have shop.
But daddy not in the shop and drink and smoke out the light.
You know them?
No.
Lord God, no, man. Like, so you don't know how they look?
Yeah. Me I want brown one TV money and she there work with her friend and she black.
So if you see them now, you can point them out.
Yeah.
You want to go show me them? Which way they turn?
Then me did walk a go up. Me walk a go down the road and then did I go up.
How much money they take from you?
$50.
Come on, come show me them there. You know what, come on.
What daddy?
You shouldn't even walk go up the road for $50. You know me have shop, little girl. And you gone. Make them rob you $50. How you do that?
But yeah, not my fault.
What you mean that your fault, little girl?
But daddy, you know I'm not in a shop when I could have buy.
You know what? Go and go over now. Walk up to. Little girl, youth.
Say, girl, you're wicked, you know? You're wicked, effort, bro.
How am I
You
wicked?
really take the little girl $50. You could have taken more than that. No, sir.
At least I love me see the girl have a loan.
But you couldn't.
And you can buy something for me and you want bull and bag juice.
That can't buy bull and bag juice, girl. My mom
How
tell you
much
that
money
a $50. Let me show you.
It can do
$50.
something though. It can do something.
This can't even buy one bag juice.
Take me money. And come on. You see something?
No, sir. That's bad.
Yes, sir.
How do you with that now?
Oh, go on.
There, man.
We see how we shop like a flower day, you know, rent it.
Why might always me rent you know, cause nothing I'm going for your shop, Papa.
No, man, that's true, you're not stuck it the right way. You have to keep one and look at two and two look at thing, you know, if you do them something. So when you run shop, you make sure you have enough of everything you want to sell. It's like a cigarette, you buy them like 100 carton. Because people smoke enough.
Good idea that, you know what I say? Where you say, I rent it?
How much amount you rent it for?
25,000 a month.
For what?
For your shop.
25,000 for this shop.
A month.
You come like you're mad, you know. You're mad, you know. You're not even say want 18,000 a month for me in time. I want 20 grand, you tell me about 25,000.
Well, we can start out some kind. Nothing I'm going feed, so every time I take 18, yeah, man.
Right, and when things are going now, we step up looking more funny.
Yeah, because I lock down on it, you know, I use.
So when, alright, I'll check you in a week. Yeah. I consult you first. with the partner and hear what she say. And then they come feed. Because I want a shop, I want, you know, make some money for the side. Because time like this, I can idle, you know. And I like to I can go to government, go get XYZ and say, yeah, no, it can't work so because them look a bit of money when they are paying and necessary at work.
Alright, yeah, look out for you in a weekend, bossy.
Alright.
If we're full and low, what if some money? What if money? Yes. What here? Again? I get phone. Girl, my teeth if I'm up there so. Look. I feel.
Wait, what you say?
My teeth the phone.
From where?
Oh, that's all I'm up there some take it from. The man
Yeah,
asleep.
idiot. After you teeth look a girl face like that, you still not learn. You can't teeth iPhone.
Sure, girl.
You know say they have track upon that? You know say they have track upon that, no?
Check up on.
They have track upon that. They can find the phone.
Well, I might know.
They say, I want to kick and beat you. You know say you don't have no sense, you have to stop thief. You know you have to stop thief.
Girl, I'm not money.
You come like you're one of the biggest crook in this community, you know? So, you have to stop it, man.
But now, yeah, loan of my business later.
You're lucky.
Oh God have mercy, Lord. Lord. Rum is not a good thing to do. Them just have my phone now. Wait there. Me not just I want the backside this. No man. Me know me. Hold on there. No sir. No sir.
Daddy, you still not stop smoke?
No?
You still know smoke go deal.
What's your problem?
Anyways, me have to get one money for good in this so I could buy one bag juice.
When I stop drink bag juice.
Daddy, just come down and get the money and go on.
How much money you want?
On $50.
Hey, see if this can get 2 bag juice. And make sure you don't stay long, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, wait for you.
You know what, sir? Tell her. The reason why I never reach out, you know, I just sleep up the road, you know. Somebody thief my phone.
When that?
Just not too long, man. Right now, this is a drop off, get somebody right, you know. One man, tell her, man, just salt.
You call it.
Call it. I don't have a phone to call it. I check it down and find out who have it. But any day, yo, I buy me one phone, no longer than tomorrow. Put him in my Google search and find it. And my iPhone find out where you want him and find it. Anybody have it? I torture them.
I hope you find it.
Me I torture them. But me soon come to the shop, so don't worry yourself, man. Me active for the shop.
Yo, me there with fun still.
No fret about that, man. Me active for the shop, man. I come get the shop, you see me?
Alright.
So you don't have to fret. If you don't see me tomorrow, no matter what, I can't come for you tomorrow still, because I'm going to buy a phone. Look how money I have to spend it. So I buy a next phone, search my phone, find the phone, then now I can just get back up on my feet.
Yeah.
So just look out for me.
Alright. I'm there about man.
Yeah, man, I go up the road there.
Alright. What can find?
Yeah, man.
iPhone I got some TV calling come on my iPhone. Oh my god, nice girl, you alright?
Yeah.
What's that? Soft one, can I get him?
No.
I'm not even fire cause whatever. Where is Sado? Can go on.
I want back my bag juice.
No! I want it to drink.
What you mean?
Want it to
Give
drink.
me my bag juice.
Go on. Go on. Thank you.
Every day just I take my bag juice. I'm a swing them watch. One day I go get what you look for. Daddy,
Come on.
the money we are giving for buy a bag juice. I buy a bag juice and it want somebody take my bag juice.
Who take you away?
It's the same girl ready to take my $50.
Why my daughter? Much time people are gonna take away your things.
No.
How you so salt? Nana, how you always make them take away your first you make them take away your money, now your bad juice.
I don't know but me a plan for her. I plan for her.
Plan for you, what you go do?
Don't worry about that.
You little girl, don't get yourself in no trouble because I don't have no money. You realize you're not going for your shop lockdown.
I don't get myself in any trouble, Daddy. Just
So
don't
how
worry.
you mean you plan for her?
That's not a man. Just wait till you see.
You know what? Come go over. Me soon call up about something for you. You
Alright.
hungry?
Yeah.
Me soon come. Go on over. You know how you want to start.
I see that, Daddy. A cigarette, that's enough. Cigarette, that.
So where you go?
When I hear go feel.
Where you go?
I'm not gonna away.
Oh, good. You sure?
I'm not gonna away.
Make sure you know.
Yeah.
Come go buy a bad juice drink. You're a good girl. Listen to me before you go. Don't make any one of them take your bad juice from you. What me say a while ago?
Don't make any one of them take my bag juice from me.
I'll make sure you come back in the yard. Me I'll wait for you, little girl.
Yes, Daddy.
Hurry up, don't make me spit and enjoy you and you not come back.
Thank you.
You take it.
Yes, what you gonna do? You take it back? No, you not get it back. Why? Him on.
Oh, they should have run. These are bad jealous.
I'm tired. Can't be like a girl beat me. She a man disgrace. That now stop me from thief. I have to thief more. Can't be so she beat me. Can't call me God. Come on. Everything coming out there nothing. We're good. Yeah, we're good.
Oh, you're lucky. Just touch me now, no?
Not touch him. We're cool. But now I got thief nothing for you. Is it alright?
Yeah. Lucky.
Excuse me, miss. Are you again? What you mean? You asked me before. Anyways, you know if I unlock that iPhone.
Unlock iPhone.
Yeah.
Are you sure
Remember
it's your
pass?
iPhone?
Yeah, man, I remember my password.
Come your phone, yeah. What a phone like a papa iPhone, so.
I'm
You sure
put by
say
your
that
mind and me buy it.
So you buy phone and remember password?
I put in your password and I remember it.
No, sir. I tell man. It's like a Popeye phone, man.
It's my phone.
So, you don't know the password on your phone?
I put in a wrong person, I don't remember it. So I as well can unlock it.
Me to go unlock it for you.
So yeah.
Or yourself. You go unlock it. So that's all. Serious and move. Me I go right up the road. Go unlock the phone, can't come give you. Yeah? Don't move. Maybe leave this out your phone. Don't move, yeah? Tell us so.
Oh God, have mercy. Watch all this down there, I know. Jesus, peace of my name. But what you walking up?
Papa,
Huh?
come person for 2 reasons. You see the main one make me get up and walk come up here. Go stay for last. But the work where you say that will make me get there.
No,
The work.
I see anything. As me seeing, you hear me?
Yeah, the work there.
What's this one I know? How mention? I don't really get through with the work.
What's that go?
I don't get through with the work. They say I not qualify because my reputation when I live the area too bad. So then I am.
What wrong with the area where you live in?
I know me. I the idiot to tell them.
Tell yourself you go put where you come from, and you know say you come from the ghetto.
So what wrong with the ghetto?
See the ghetto and make you get no work, you know.
All the people they were idiot.
No, it's you is the idiot. Cause if me they go nowhere. Go sign up on no platform or on no when they ask me say where you live. When me no live in New York, me I put New York.
Well, the worst part right now, there's some get police is signing. If you don't know the police,
I know, beg your call.
then take my phone.
Hello, yeah, tell.
Me say me go drink rum up at the shop, and the shop people they lock them shop. And me just asleep on the bench. All my phone gone, all me a walk. Me a big people I log in for put it on search to find the phone, they can't find it. Me say me do one by one phone, me couldn't even bother.
Oh God. I feel up here. If I need to stop drink, it's a blasted idiot. Anyways, pull a phone for me there. Pull it. Pull the phone. Not me say if you do pull the phone.
Then my phone is costing me what there. No, okay. Are you take my phone?
Yeah, bright. Oh, take which phone?
And I come give me for pull it.
I want little girl take your phone, but you careless. Me think I want other way she take your phone like pick your pocket or something. But you are junk, you junk. Me say I go pull the car back or give her. Me left her down the road, sit on the bench, you know. Right then I'm yard gate, me left her, you know. Sit on the bench.
So you take my phone?
Me not thief your phone, you deaf? I want little brown girl thief the blasted phone. She come to me and say, you can unlock a phone. If me look on the phone, me see your phone. If you put her on the bench and say me soon come, me go unlock you.
When?
Don't let up on the bench, give me the phone. Me go.
Come.
Me tell the girl say me go unlock the phone, give me the phone.
You go unlock which phone?
The phone you give her.
Me want whole eye.
You know says, go on, man. Me don't know we not talk. You still drink. Stop blinding idiot, man.
You see, right now, I don't know.
Really?
I must swallow. I must swallow.
Little girl.
I must swallow. All me case me see, you know.
And my problem that me must have my case of the thief. Remember that.
I'm not thief, you're borrow it. Because I didn't like it.
A thief that call.
And me give you back one. Tell
So?
me what I go on like. Me give you a black case. But any day, name day, I hold hard.
When you go well, so she fast.
Huh?
The way you old and cripple.
How could I, listen to me, you have to thief again, you know.
No, she not a thief again, you know.
You have to thief
If
again.
she's smart like me, she won't get catch.
Oh, so you influence the people them for thief.
Yeah, what? She young, she are dead, if you hungry, what expect she to do? Thief!
Go to supermarket and beg a work. Even map out here at night time.
They look like one look underage 13-year-old, 14-year-old good on the road, Papa. That can't get work.
You
How
sell
get
guinea.
work?
Sell guinea.
No, me no recommend her to do none of that.
Why?
She too good looking for all of them the dirty work there.
And that's why we not make money.
No!
Selling guinea and mango.
Listen to me.
People that buy from her faster.
Listen to me. You know what she fi do? Get some battery rider and walk up on the streets and pick people pocket. When me see her, I will get some tips from half a thief.
Oh.
Cause me not thief, no phone I can't give nobody to pull.
And that's what me young girl do. Go and run bar and a battery ride and rub down man leg and collect money.
Yes! When you go in the road, you kick up your bumper so one man look so. You just stretch out your hands so.
Continue same way. Continue same way.
And if no man they look you in the road, when you go around them and look you, tell them say you can't chat for thirsty throat. Buy your backlash juice. You see me make money? You see me work? And the work you forgive me. As if you do.
And you saw me, I'm not get the work in.
How me start up? You cannot now go on the bridge. Bridge now work.
You work at bridge?
Yes! I'm not afraid to chat it. I work at the bridge. But not going on there now.
And don't they sell so cheap?
No, I don't sell cheap.
How much are your price?
Very expensive.
How much are your price? How much you sell now for?
$500.
And you say very expensive?
Yeah, $500 per money, Papa. You know what $500 can do? Plenty.
Lord Jesus Christ, 1 pound of chicken, half pound of rice. You're worthless, you know. You don't say very worthless.
Move right in front of me.
And that's
Move right in front of me.
no wonder why the earth a girl them down they can't get no sale because you go down they go cheap out.
When me cheap, me get one per sale. Me make more money than them. Me tie night for done.
Well, me not wrong girl, at least you make more than 5 grand a day. Because if 10 man go there 5 grand, if 20 man go there, you have good that much. I say you go 10 man at 5 grand, 20 man at 10. You good.
Why you counting man them for? You want them?
No, me I check how much you make a night.
Stop check my money. I make me get the work run at the hotel if you do.
If me not get it, you not go get it.
I said me not eat that.
All right.
Cool.
What you run for, girl? I remember my man me tell us some of the thing for your phone.
Yeah,
Me see one girl on the roadside and me give her for pulling. And she go up there, so go pull it, and me see she a come back with a man. So me have to run, but now call me and beat me.
you're not here for stop thief. Me tell you to stop thief, but you're not listen. You're not on the ears.
Me not have it, so I'm half a thief.
You're not obviously a thief. So what you say, me have it? Me not have it, but me not a thief.
That's your problem.
You have to stop thief.
You want to live poor life, me want to live rich life.
You want to live rich life. That's why you got to thief the man. iPhone.
Yes.
Me tell you to then do that, you know. You not listen.
They not catch me, come run off.
You run off.
They not catch
She
me.
said, me want them wall you. Me want them wall you.
Sure.
You think say you can't run for long? Wait till the man wall you.
Me a run for long because man can't catch me. Anyways, where you go?
Down the road.
Oh, go on, me not
I'm
go.
going to see the man and tell him, say,
No!
I joke me later.
Yeah, man. Me I tell her say, me never did have my phone. I want a little girl thiefy. Right. Yeah, me I lose the job. Boy, it really rough. But what about my scent? Yeah, man, me dey look for the property still. Not really now go off it, you know. Okay, all right, talk it up. Me I listen.
What's your prank now?
Then, yeah, man, me understand. Me hear everything what you say now. Me hear. It will work.
Give me everything you have.
Lord Jesus, me just lose the phone now. Now this again, now what happened?
I joke.
A joke, no? Wait, I must hold you. I must hold you.
Where you come from?
What period may I come from?
Them a time of evening, yeah?
Yeah.
How are this on? You think I gone?
But my friend, one man,
Give me this. Who your friend?
one man up the road with it.
For what?
No.
Little girl a trouble you want to put me in?
No.
Friend, man. So you dey practice the fire gun you know?
No.
Come go in the yard before me beat her. Go in the yard. Come go in the yard. Where you go?
I'm done your road, I go buy my bag juice. No, my daddy. You really need to go for hospital.
Where you say I go down the regular?
I go buy one bag juice.
You have money?
Yeah, me have money, me have $50.
Wait. You never tell us if you move it. Just a hot no man.
Me tell you it's because I smoking what you do.
Alright, yeah, no. Hurry up, go on and nobody with the foolish like yesterday. And make sure you come back fast too. Don't make me spit and enjoy. I ain't reach back. Hurry up. No man.
Anyways, are good?
Yeah, I'm a good man. But it's there. Tired, is me?
Girl, I'm gonna come back to school, cause
You're not going to school?
yeah, come back.
Yeah, girl, then if come back to school. Oh, I can get it thirsty.
Me not thirsty, me alright.
I will change.
No, not change that all.
But now, man, you would have take you away.
No, me tap because the girl beat me. Me take her bag juice.
The girl what?
The girl beat me.
The girl beat you?
Yes.
Yeah, idiot. That little pitney that can beat you.
Yes, she beat me.
The girl beat you. And what you do? Run down.
Me no must run.
Stop thief. Me
Never
tell you to
stop.
stop thief, but you're not listening. No.
Me
You're
go
not
tap.
listening.
Anyways.
I tell you, stop the thieving.
Me go tap.
You say you want a rich life. Rich life. Me no want to stay poor now. But you see me poor now. And you say me grow up now, I'm gonna rich, I'm gonna have money. But me can't
Me a
keep
come
friend
work
like
for you.
I want to. Cause me
No,
not thief from
no, me not thief for you. Me a come work for you. Anyways,
Yeah.
come on,
Yeah,
finish
come work for
walking.
me. Yeah. Yes, me just want to go to more. Me I go to the yard.
Oh Lord have mercy. You shouldn't run. You shouldn't run. I must hold her. You're one of them too.
No.
You're one of them too.
Jesus Christ. Me not thief. You know how much time it takes?
So how you know that me I go say?
Because me know say she a thief.
I must hold her. I must hold her. Anyway, I go about my business. Stay out of our company.
Alright.
Cause they always say no. Show me a friend and me tell you who you are.
Alright.
Try to stay out of our company. No matter if I go along where you go.
You not rich yet. Must frighten him again. I feel frighten you when you come here.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Everything is good, man. Everything is good. The place under control, like me come check pan still, you know. Yeah.
Stick up, don't move.
You take me over the wall. Eh?
Give me 1 second.
We are
chance.
over here again. We
Give me
are
one chance.
over here. We
Give me
are
1 chance, my parents. Me not gonna do it again.
we are do for the people them premise.
Me not gonna do it again. Please let me
Say
go.
what you are do for the people them premise. Eh?
No,
Where are you over here?
no.
Look a girl.
I joke me and make.
I'm going to give you a chance now. Do not come back on the premise as long as you live. Who are your father?
TB.
Make it be one. You don't come. TB,
Yeah.
we want to shop. You're lucky. You're born lucky. Cause me the give you some liquor out of that piece of stick. You know. Don't come back over here.
Let me not come
Go
back.
on, sir. Don't come back over here. You're damn bright. Yeah. Huh? All right. Oh God have mercy. What one? I drink. Right now I'm bar me, I go down the road go drink.
You don't know nothing better to do than drink. From the girl thief your phone and know me, I see you catch her, walk on.
Me no hold her, but you know. Me see her and walk around here from day, but me a plan for her, man. I have a plan for her. I make sure my pencils what to do. You see
Go
once.
on to the two thief, them are there first. Where them there?
Why? Then, me don't know which part of the island them turn, you know. Because they all over the globe I walk up and down.
Oh. But
Then,
anyways.
what do you want of them come to change money? 150 Dominican money. Me don't know where they get it from, like or something, then go sell with them teeth.
Then I understand them say they young and fool. So anyways, I come to sit down. Let my friend from me gateway. We to talk something I want here. So I go on for the work.
Work?
Yes, the work. Why go on for the work? We must have more of the work.
You know what they say? The work full, you know.
How it feel full?
When me change the address, they say full. Me no never true me tell about the work. That's why I no go to tell black nigga about nothing. Because when they tell them, then go home your man.
Hello, I don't go home your man to prefer and get that work there. If I go home, I go home your man to get the work myself. You don't try to come bright with me.
Huh?
Eh? I didn't want me a chat about. That me a talk about.
Full up.
You can't get it for idiot.
No, but yeah, no. Let me teach you something. You know, so you can make money same way without working for people. You never know that. You could have buy 5 pack of bag juice and sell them. Go to the school gate and sell the kids them. That will sell
Let me suffer.
faster.
I don't have time for all of that. I don't want to do all of that. I don't feel like if you buy the bag juice, I'm going to go sell the bag juice. I'm not going to go sell the bag juice.
Alright.
Simple as the 1, 2, 3. Like if they go to the hotel, going to get me a white rich man. Make my life better and easy.
So out of you run down a white rich man and start your own, you know I'm be an entrepreneur.
Me no want to be no bag juice entrepreneur.
Let me teach you something. Where you think Scrabble Dub start from?
I don't know. It's coming up.
Selling bag juice until you have a club. And you have other business that I don't know about. Look at mini mart.
Me like down business about Scrabble Dub, you know.
You can...
What's Scrabble Dub there now?
You want so?
Okay. You have money? People all they go to that club there. Because I don't go to that club to go work.
No man, you have to go there sometime when party keep down and Negril and the crowd them go around, they go spend till daylight. Because when you're not at the club there, you can't know when sun not come up, you know. It's nice and the vibes nice and the go-go them, I like when the go-go them did there, you know. Because when me I tip the go-go them, oh, you can get a true word. When me do tell you, you know, you can get a walk and dance on there, on the pole.
Let me a go-go.
You know, have to be
You look like me a go-go, they went on pole. Me not went on no pole.
You will get only for tip. Different
Oh,
from your
not
pay.
talk when me want hear. Get a tap
You can come to come tip you and slap you for your behind. Yeah, we'll slap you up.
Slap your daughter in her mouth.
Right. You want to come here and give you work?
Me no want you to work. Me no want you to do something for my behind. We just go something for my behind and my work for. What that for?
I saw the go.
Hello, move on something. Me start take off my slippers and start beat you. You know for when me no fight. We just start grabble up yourself. No, more from me get to you. More from me get to you.
You know I know.
Can we just start this about work?
You know I know. You
Tell me what you're bad man.
I know.
Me don't know why me go.
What ya?
Call me there, so.
Oh, you alright?
Yeah. Where you coming from?
Anyways, second, my friend got to go steal something. Hungry.
You idiot? Me and you not gonna go thief. No. No, you're not there for top thief.
No, you get me
If you stop thief, you're not here. Well, I know me and you go thief.
Yeah, either friend because you want to live poor life, me want to live rich life. No, no about you.
You want rich life, I hope nothing happen to you before school up here.
Just come on
Me nah come nowhere. And that really call me out of my bed or fiddle. Eh? I see me there sleeping now.
now. You want to live?
You call me out of my bed. Concern you say, how long they will get upon you? Oh, God know where it is there. And I call me for come
Me go steal something for you too. You want money? Me can't give you.
no money.
Sure. Come on,
Go on about your business. Me nah come nowhere. My bed, me I go back.
Good na nga pala mag-tifan. Kasi simple sa ina. Ano yung siya mo? Ano siya? One more phone again. Managi, girl.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
No. I saw me that go. I saw me that go.
I saw you did that go. That's
I saw me that go.
So you feel say, me I eat that, right? I see me see you walk come up in. I'm in
No, I saw me that go. Me never touch you.
Guess when I done with you today, you stop TV rest of your life.
Sir, I saw me that go.
I want to teach us when I see people things. Yeah. You come for this, right? You come for it. And that same something here, me going to use matter you. Come on. You feel saying,
Where we are go?
I'm going to teach you a lesson. See, I stand today. But I'm going to show you
Sir,
something.
me are going
Hmm?
Yeah, time me up for what?
All right.
Time me up for what?
I'll wait till we go for Europa. Wait till we go for Europa.
Sir, I got me cap.
Hey.
Me never the thief nothing.
Lean up there, sir. You don't move. I'm going to teach you a lesson. Hold it up. Hold it up. Hold it up.
Sir, let go me now.
Hold it up. I'm going to teach you, sir.
Let me go.
You're not for thief.
Me not thief, no.
You're not thief your phone.
No,
And then come back and try to thief the next one.
I'm a friend thiefy.
You will soon know.
And me.
You will soon know. You will soon know.
You come me.
I'm going to show you, sir. Thiefing. Wait there, look how we copy hands this.
Which hands?
Hey, stay away there now.
Wake up with hands.
Backside. Look how we them up.
So what bite me, yeah?
Yeah, man, you want a thief?
Answer bite me now. Answer bite me.
You want a thief?
Yes, me gonna learn. Answer bite me.
Yeah, man, he go and bite
Oh
you.
God, let go me now. Oh God, the ants, Jesus Christ, me ants. Oh. Jesus, me not come out the nest. So.
Yeah, you reach to the end of the movie, but come along and talk to you. Right now, job one in that movie, yes, but this movie do long time, see me? But one wanna shape the movie for job one. Because as we speak, he's still in the hospital because his foot damaged bad, and me not really, it's kind of painful to say, yeah, me have a good actor. If you need to listen to me still, you want to reach this and say, park the bike, don't go now and say, I'm going to fix the bike. So, when you see how Shanice calling me, yeah, because, listen, Shanice called me because she a curry crab. Shanice talk, yeah, you want to say which part me there, and come, follow me people, we are good on go show the Shanice, we're currying crab right now. So, hold on, me answer the video call. Hold on, because she want me to answer the video call. So, we are come, come on, show the people them how we curry crab. So, right a wheat seed. So, come along, people, we're going to show you how we curry crab. So, this is the fans them. So, if you say anything out of your mouth, let me see. And I live with them, we want it for the video. So, we're party right as a people till when time reach actually near to the bamboo tree, we start here again, cut it. So, right now, we're up on the road, we're going to curry the crab, because they don't know if you curry crab. Only me alone is the best for currying crab right now. I not boast for myself, but I can tell you. When I curry crab, all the yaya go run water again. So I like when time crab spicy. It have to have at least, one pot of crab must have at least 4 to 6 pepper, if you don't understand what I mean. But for the people that want to like too much pepper, I would advise them if you only use 2 or 3. Because that's not really hot. You see me? Because I tried it already. I tried it with some guests one time when the guests then they come here, then they want some spicy crab. I use 3, never hot. And the next second time, I give them, I use 8 and they love it. All the shell, I don't know how them pour out the shell. From me, I eat curry crab in a history, I never poured out the shell. I don't know how they do it. Them teeth is good, but come along with me because, this is for job one. Want to share it up. Share up your movie because, it could have been any one of us. Same way, so want to share up the movie. And so we have Shanice along the way here, coming. Right, because him well want to curry the crab, so he might come hurry me. So watch ya. Just watch this. Come along. Come along. You have to take time in the car. Whosoever they behind the camera can barely walk. So just come along. See Shani is here. What you have to say to the people in the
I am hungry. I come to beg $200, please.
Oh really that you want to come up in a video I say?
Yes. Good day, people. I am hungry. I come to beg. Can I beg you $200, please, and thank you, my producer.
Right in the camera.
Yes. Even though I know you will stop it. Do not stop the camera. Just give me the $200 and
A
yes.
pepper you go buy with it. I have to turn on cookie and pay me.
I'm not really buy no pepper.
Where buy?
Something to eat, catch up my stomach.
So what go on for pepper?
Thank you. Pepper don't look already.
Alright, so we are walking along to go and curry the crab. But anyway, we'll cut it again because we don't want to talk too much.
Oi.
As I come in,
So what you there long asleep? You cook?
I do as me do the air bathroom, me clean and sleep.
You clean the bathroom but look on the yard?
So I tired, I know my bathroom take time.
Oh, you're tired. You're tired. Which girl can come on my yard?
What me just tell you some me do?
Which girl can come on my place?
What me just tell you some me just not too long done do?
You think some me not joke with you?
Me I bathroom me cleaner.
That's all I know to do. Is lay down and sleep. I said, I'm going there and I'm going to look. May I come?
I'm scared, so me not do nothing. Wait a minute. Suppose me there do something. Me not do nothing, you know. What me I do? Every day, yeah, give me one, yeah.
Because that all me come home can do, I see you lay down, prowl out, not do nothing.
Not because
While
me
me-
answer man sweet means me I go cheat. Me not cheat, baby love. No. Me say me done David and you me a David. Me not look at woman.
So thing I idiot. Remember say me make you look so you know. Remember good you know. You work list. No, you're not even to say you that get up one day and go get a job. No at all. And me have to
Alright.
feed and clothes. Then you know back chat to me.
I'm sorry. But this you know, if we go out there, you know when me come here, where you come from? So I what me I come from? You not come from a work a girl yard. I mean,
Because that's all you know to do. I pay a treat a
so
treat.
now that you know want me go work, cause you go say me I look girl.
Who?
You.
Who? That's not like for me, you. You just work list. You just want to leech off of me. But me not no problem with you now. But the fact is, your cat girl come on my yard every day. Me hear you. Me hear about you.
You see no?
Me hear about your people tell me a road.
So no come check me yet.
Also, you want girl to come check you, yeah?
Jesus Christ, me just a say
Okay, so that's your plan. That's why anytime you go on road, that you go do.
me not have a plan.
As me come home, you come and disrespect me. Eh? And me I disrespect you, look for me, so now you feel like you're growing, now you want to come beat me, you want to come abuse me.
Me know that never put me on fire.
Yeah, so I raise a voice at me now, all of a sudden.
My voice loud.
So you not talk to me in that calm manner, talk to me so loud. Relax. Me ask if you cook. So me did not cook. If you come in and cock up my foot and can't do that, me have to cook, don't it? For feed you, for make
Me
you
go
feel
cook,
good.
Me go cook.
From the time you sleep, I know you choose to go cook.
Let me show you how me tired and me just doze
Stop
off.
raise your voice after me.
Oh, exactly. I'm me doze off. That happened, you know, go.
Oh, after so that means that so you want after me, you want abuse me. And that, okay. Don't worry yourself, you're growing now. Go cook if you want to cook.
Everything we say.
And make me get my food to eat. Me not talking with you.
We don't want to eat.
Also, yeah, ask me what I want to eat now.
Post me go cook, me say, go say, I be say really cook them.
Just cook your food, man.
Alright. Give me a bag, I'm carrying the bag.
If you take out my money, go mind, girl.
See, we not to be helpful. Me and a gentleman again. Nah, it's alright.
Sister girl. What do you feel good soup? What do you feel so good? You feel good? Oh, girl, right now, come over your yard right now. I come check up on you. So, what your man there? Which one? How much money you have? No one man you have and the good man you talk about? Yeah, work. Oh, girl, but she not give money now. But she say don't give money. Good man you have. See, they end up trying to go build a house. See, and if you come to all broke down board house, yeah. Don't give him bun. Good man. A good man. Good man. Good man. Where you call good man? Somebody wanna abuse you, who love you, goes out and work and come back and give you money and have to work. You dey work? Are you working? Where the choke man?
Me just tell someone feel sick. I ask what me a choke on that. That sound right.
Cause me say about good man.
Listen, you not give me what me want. So, for my information, and a good man to me.
I want something short?
No.
So why man a good man?
You not give me the beating the mommy want. That's what I need. No. I don't want to love the thing.
You say Billy say yeah idiot. Me Billy say said vagina we come out I know because you know no sense. Where you want man to beat you for? Eh? Say if man no beat you, say if man no beat you, man no love you. Say one man fi thump in your mouth. If you say first man fi thump in your mouth, you come to me a date and me thump in your mouth.
Yeah, no man. You have a sister.
I say me thump in your mouth for the man.
Oh. And if you thump them too pian, they're too weak.
She's a girl, yeah.
I don't fear them me once.
So me tell her this plain and straight. You better take that little foolish thought you have in your head and stay with the man. The man is a good man, the man have money and the man not give you bun. Oh, you want a bad man? A bad man you want?
That me want.
See if anyone
me want a man where act like them a woman. I mean a woman in a relationship and I me act as a man. Me not see sense.
So you tell me say, when I get the man touch, I man first box it down and kick it down.
They even rough me up. If me do nothing, I'm like, I not saw that girl.
So tell me
how does that work?
So tell me, you know, you there with a man, right? The man come out one day and lick you in your head, you dead. Or me if you go tell fool brother say, eh? You know say what's that fool brother? Cause all him are the next idiot. Cause me hear say a woman about to abuse him. Right. So the 200 no sense. 200 sense. And you fit there with fame woman.
Where this we come from the same ginger.
Like the way who you call idiot?
They bigger sister, no? Me never run out of me yard today. Eh? You know, you me say, me never run you out.
So they did run out me. And then train at temper. I train to come back here yard.
Yeah. Because you no manners.
Who don't
And
know
me
manners?
can't deal with you.
Who can do it all?
Can it take time and go on?
Look on God, me head. They see you look a giant head, girl. You go and get where you look for. Me say you go and
I
buck
know
up
you
on
go
a...
get your me. Go on, man, go
You go
on.
buck up on a real bad man. You buck up on a real bad man. Want him tumble the two front teeth them.
And me will come to both for you 2 years.
No.
Go on.
Me come get chair yard. Me not time for you.
Yeah, go on in here. Go on. Your mother.
How long food takes already? Chop. Let's have big up.
I can't complain.
Why food?
Flo, I just mix up us, you know.
Yeah. And then I say me can't bother with the youth. Every time me come from, we can't get one nice good meal. So me just there I take care of you for nothing at all.
Remember, say me know, say I'm more than 10 floor.
What this? I
don't know. Actually, me tired, you know. I don't feel good. I'm happy.
Man, not tell me say that. Eat up. I go finish the food. You're bright and out there. You can't tell me boy you're tired. Tired way. Tired with spot. Which part are you tired? Me hungry. And I want me to come from.
See, so
No, me there. Good evening.
What happened?
Me there, you good?
Yeah, me alright.
So what happened? I cook. Oh, I like a 6 year good?
So you asking that? Are you alright? None of him.
And my brother look like say him sick. You see him?
Something do you?
not feel good, fam.
What cause if you not feel good? What cause if you not feel good?
Tired.
So no, sir. What kind of woman you be?
Oh, you're tired?
What kind of woman you be?
No, me a do nothing. Me a do nothing. Oh, so me no know you talk about what kind of woman me be.
You know, see you coming like one idiot like.
With what? Where my idiot with? Where my idiot with?
You know, it's a yawa. You look sick and you cook before the woman get up. And you forget about cook food game for eating.
Oh, so me fi go and work, come back from work and give money, give pocket money, take care of him, pay him, clothe him, do everything. And still turn around, take care of house.
Yeah, baby.
So him fi just there cock up and enjoy his head. Please. Me never disrespect you yet. Right? Me say, me never did. Where you in my bag?
As she a baby? You want one for baby? So why you make woman a baby? Oh, so you have a big baby? Big baby for her. You want some beating. You want
leave
some
people business alone.
No, I'm my brother.
It don't matter.
It matters. See, business and my business.
It does not matter. It look like it one day. You keep a question yourself.
I told me no say, if I need little and grow up, he make woman rule him.
No, make me
I can't never go.
Let me tell you this, girl. Take your time and talk to my brother. Take your time and talk to him.
Tell your brother so we're going to work and take care of himself, and then that time nobody want to talk to him now.
Oh, so True, yeah, mind him. True, he can't get a job yet. You mind him.
And Trey, it means wait too long for my food and I like it.
So when you come here, you never do work.
No selfish today. They want to be being alone.
So about the money I'm going to give? Yeah, go along my market, go buy selfish.
Oh, me not go downtown.
And now you just said to me a while ago? You said nah.
Say no. So she hear properly.
You're not going to do what? You are go buy selfish. Me not ask you. Anyways, Miss, what reason? What you want?
I'm my sister.
It no matter.
Look at me. It's the yard, yeah. I might do a pay the bill, but the yard and my brother, yeah, now come yeah. You understand?
Trey, please tell her to go home.
Tell me if I go home.
Tell my sister.
Tell her to go home.
I should tell me go on here, because I saw they have woman to beat her. You come like with sister.
Tell her to go home.
Yeah, me say.
Why am I run my sister?
Tell her sister to go home. She in our business. Tell her to go home.
I mean, my talk to
Tell her to go home.
One in.
Relax, don't tell me talk to her.
Serious? I could never be my doctor.
Tell me if they talk to
My sister, I can't come back.
No, it look like that for you. When no woman gonna walk. You fool like our sister and no sense.
Tell a woman.
What we you don't know say your sister run your tiny yard.
Sister run you?
Run your tiny yard, but me say, are you? They say you know, Moisha the one man. If you pick up my sister, because my sister like when people beat her. And you should have
You're
them
not
gone.
gone yet.
No, we're not gone yet.
Try
We
please
soon come
tell her
back.
to go home.
No, man, I disgrace for the family.
Yeah. I put pepper in a baked bean and make
I know
it
that
into
they talk, but you
dumpling.
see next time your sister or nobody come here and you tell them about my business, but what happened here, I ring off your mouth. You're bright. Do anything you want to the food. Just left right in front of me.
I put pepper on the baked bean.
If you ever pepper no food in there, see. Be sure.
Yeah, look, sir.
I am.
Ted. I really want to put Ted.
Sweet.
Are you Ted?
Yeah.
You cook?
Food in my kitchen.
You cook?
Soup, you want soup?
Nah. You could have asked me.
Anyways, we have something to talk to you about.
Yeah. I'll be at that here, you just take over, so.
Alright, then tell me what you have to say.
You know, so today, you could even ask me how work go.
Alright, how was the day?
Same old. Feel like boss man just I try to push me out. What? I give up. Yeah, I'll give take care and you know, I go all out. So I work on the house done so. And as soon as it done, you don't know moving and that. Start the next one, can rent it out. I think forget your car. All of the luxury, because you deserve it. I just sorry I can't spoil you as much as how I want. I know I spoil it, but I mean as how I don't want it. And it break my heart, but I beg you be. See me a chance. See me a chance. I promise things are gonna get better. Just don't play it now. No work too hard for that.
Me not play that hard.
Okay, good.
But
Go.
the connection we used to have, it not there again. Me not feel the energy. The energy not there non-stop.
Hold on. You could take this slow. I'm not think my ear correctly. So I could take this slow. Go again.
Alright, you always said so. I said this so have it has pain. It is breaking apart.
Alright, we could take it slow. So alright, it have fade, but what are the cost? What are the road costs? Because how something we can work on because from my end, I don't have no history, I never hear really a complain. I say yo because me do what I'm supposed to do. Provide grocery. Me do your hair, do your nails, me do everything. As a man can do. And I can do so much and no more. And if we use everything where we have all of the resources for hair and clothes and something, then when I have nothing to build with, and you have to look on that, me I try my best, how much me can do. Be honest, you know I work. One and watch the other. So you tell me and tell me if I'm being unfair because I more likely feel like you are being unfair to me.
But just not feel the energy anymore.
Alright, what you really want me to do? Tell me what you want me to do.
Plus, me hardly get attention.
Alright,
It is just
hold on,
and work.
I could take it slow. What you mean by hardly get attention? Because when we come in from work, phone put aside. I you no focus on me try to watch one show there. Yes, more while I TV I watch me and you know how that go because what? Me I work out. You know what that mean? I gotta work a man, I gotta work 7 days a week. And I like me no want to rest. And when I come in, I go out, me no party, me no dance, me no drink. So where does that come from? You can't mash up me there.
Me and mash up the head. Just that me not feel it.
So you want to work on this because you're willing to find the money and I could go come to me because I really don't want you to give up on me. I feel like there's better. And you just need for just look around this age and I could polish off the rough edges and get this thing. You have to tell me what you're up to.
But I think this can work.
Just like this.
Mm-hmm.
You're sure enough somebody else?
Well, no. I don't have nobody else at the moment.
Be honest with me. Where does that come from? Because you know, have nobody else you say. But me can't understand this.
Me just not feel you. Me not
Alright.
feel you. Me not get the vibes.
What me can't
Vibes
do?
gone.
What me can do for make you really understand?
Give me more attention, and if you not give me no more attention, me go leave.
So what me I gonna do? Stop from work for focus.
Never say I must stop
But-
from work.
But me not understand because when me come in as me say, or from me come in, I you all attention depend everything they aside. So
What
what
you call
else?
attention?
Babe, me sit down, me try watch a show there as me explain. Me
And then
talk
you
to you
start
about
watching
me
your
day.
gun. Jealousy.
Honestly, that's no fault of mine. I just nature.
Talk.
Babe, you are one. You have to give and take. You want things done in the house, you want hairstyle, you want everything. I mean I work towards that. So I'm tired. Yeah, make it look like a spite me do it for or something. Babe. Give me a chance. Correct on this now. Please.
See there now, you all are beg me. You say please. You now man up, man. You want some back sometime. And in the bedroom, couple little backs. You just soft so. Right now, I come like a mere man in a relationship. See my friend out there? She tell me how much backs her man a give her. And I show her love. You want some strong love too. Feel love too weak, brother. Me nah get love. That love ya, I no feel it. This love too soft. More strong love. You need to man up and do better.
What you said to me really don't make sense now. I try if you understand. Why would you want me to abuse you? Cause your body nice. B, how I influence you? Cause why me I wonder if you drink mad puss piss or something? Cause me here I go on the man. Stop the foolishness. We could work on this. I feel I need counseling. I can't love you and abuse you. That's not no love what you talk about. I second time you come to me with this nonsense, you know. The last time you come and talk about Keisha, man, when Keisha asked him for lunch, I say, hey, idiot, girl. I bull and back jokes and ray, and I kick you for kick me down and ray. My friend, that not gonna work with me. I love you, and I genuinely love you. I can't abuse nobody with me love. I know some of you show love. In fact, I never grow so. So for that you come to me with it, friend, here.
See there, me and him a talk and him just gone. Before him strangle me, like what Shensia say. And put me down. Why me can't? No. Nope.
Wagwan! Why me I tell you?
You see that? So
You know, some of the work you can say no wagwan.
Ja.
I tell you.
Rim Tim.
What you
Long
mean,
time no
man?
see you.
Yeah, and
Hearted.
Just release some
But
people.
you
You
want
know.
come in with a hearted thing there, cause be the war.
No, me
You're
I
gonna
tell
give
you.
a negative energy.
Me say what the boy them hold me and send me go down go spend 6 months in prison.
What you mean?
Cause some look nigga beat me up, but I know that I'm a woman, man. Me just have to get rock like 2 fists.
Why, man?
No, man, if it's true, I say, when you love somebody, you put them in a, adjust them in a some, give him to a thump and choke him.
Why? Seriously?
What you mean? How you think me love her? And so me show her my love.
Lose her for you, bro.
Why?
Real man no hit you, man. Real man no hit pitney like that, brother.
No.
You no hit man, you no hit pitney like that. Me understand your discipline you, but like, if you kick down and pitney and box down and pitney.
No, I'm a woman.
Yes, but me I say you real man no hit woman or hit pitney like that.
She love. She love when me rock like 2 fists.
Papa, me not even want you talk this one, my woman, she go feel like say, yo, this is something where she can adapt to and feel like say,
no, I saw me and my woman find love. This is when in that bedroom and we are doing thing, I'm catching now one big light. Me just give 2 fists off of that for him back to Jordan. Poof, poof.
Papa, me understand when you make love and you're gonna slap her, but when you say like fight her, no, bro. No, bro.
No, son. How you think my love would have come? My love, it have a stronger. I saw you show woman love. A bad man they want. So you have to give them bad man love. What a little tough here. Oh, what time I serve? Come up. You have to show a bad man love. Oh, bro, man.
Bro, there has to be a better way, you know. Oh, you have mediation. Whether you could have go talk to somebody, you could have even call me and tell me, say, yo, you're a woman have a problem, brother. I could have show you a better way.
At 7 years, me and her there. And if she did have a problem with that shit, I left her. Every time she look for me, every time me and her fight, she get up in her man, baby, me love her. I say breakfast. I fast, me say breakfast, me. From me, meet her when me never used to beat her, me not see food cook. So if your man cook, thank God. Let's rock like your fist, man. I said, you have to do it.
Oh, man.
Huh?
Disappointed in you, bro.
Oh.
Disappointed in you, bro.
So let me ask you now. So if your woman do something wrong, you know, rock like your fist?
No. I know some me grow. It look like you grew a different way. Your father used to beat your mother.
I don't know, but in life, you don't want a man beating.
Nobody bring that to her. No, she's being comedic. Nobody with that.
No, sometimes they love that.
No, but me tell her she's being comedic now.
What if you can slam her in the wall? I say, girl, what you do? I still they like it.
You ever consider yourself, say if you do that to the wrong man pitney or the wrong man sister? What me at, no?
No, me not feel say, in life, me not feel say that don't happen, you know, but.
Okay.
You see, as a bad man, you know, of adjust a woman. If I that thing like you hold me, you jerk him and you say, yeah, sit down here, sir. You like that in turn on.
Interesting.
That's some of them, you have many ways how they turn on.
Interesting.
Some of them like when you touch them on their neck. Some of them like when you grab them throat.
Me agree with everything what you say. You know?
Right.
Me not say woman don't like that, but me I say you just have to be careful because you gotta just slip the wrong man sister or the wrong man daughter. And you know where you gotta go? 6 feet under. So you might not lift it tell the tail the next time I come talk about you just come from prison.
You have a point, but I realize, you know.
Papa, I know why you follow with me later, you know, so you know what? We'll see. Boy, sometimes I wonder what going on with all the young people here. You hear what my origins said to me today?
What are some why you deal with me? That's exactly how me I tell you to deal with me.
You know what joke, you know? You watch too much cartoon.
I watch cartoon, darling.
I must joke, joke. So you really want me to put my hand on you?
Yeah.
You work better than this. You work more than this. Why me keep ask you. Somebody who me love. Why me that damage you? And guess what?
I sign up showing love.
Oh.
Did I hear what your friends say? Or you have somebody else out there? You have somebody else.
Nobody with the foolish. Nobody with the foolishness.
I'm just asking.
What kind of foolish is that because I not beat to me have somebody?
I'm just asking.
Look on this. You might not be so lucky, you know. You know how much girl a ball so they want to beat them, yeah? You might not be so lucky. You might end up 6 feet deep. You ever think about it? You see much woman dead in a domestic dispute? Stop going like you're blind. Come on. Your eyes are open but you're still asleep. If me do you this big, that means me not love you. Why would I do you that? You feel me?
No, because all the way I said to come to this is and look back out your next.
You make me sick to my stomach. Me never ever imagine me that see somebody think like you. I follow. You know this is not you?
Of course it's me. But me understand, say you're not that type of person, you know, put your hand on a woman. But I can change. Me want to feel some pain sometime. Not just so love, so love not go that way, you know. Me want to feel some pain. That's all me ask, so me not ask you not how much.
Shanti. Lose half of you. Lose half of you. The only pain may expect you to feel. And when I give birth to a youth, what kind of abuse you want me to abuse you? No, I don't know. I wonder if you, I want to say something about God help me. You want me to change and become a monster? Why?
See, as someone why you deal with me. See the vibes you're just talking a while ago, you just turn me on all of a sudden. Is that so hard?
Shut. Shanti, you get me ignorant, you know. You get me ignorant. But me, when you see us, will never put me hand on you. So if that's you want, find a way out.
Alright, if I saw you want it, burn under your cloth.
Babes, no, we're not on a good term. But I'll push out. So take care of yourself until I come back.
Go on work, man.
I'm reaching here early. Oh, that sounds so.
Yeah, I gotta work too.
Oh, that's.
Don't worry yourself, you can't go on work.
No, time ago, I'm already late. Shanti! No answer, she no answer. No. Shanti! This big man move like Pitney, man. Oh, wait. Shanti! If I sing and me I get out. Only was. Maybe she could. Yo G.
What go on?
Sorry for calling so early, man.
Why man tell him me up man, me up.
I'm just think your job bunker.
No, stop, me get up man. That's how me get up early man.
Yo, I was Mr. Sorry for calling so late. I'm ask me ask you if you see him.
Oh,
Shanti man.
Shanti.
Mr. Moms, you know, say I'm bona fide breed.
Why?
So I'm bona fide, man.
You know that one them can't answer you about, you know, trust me.
Really?
Yo, them girls, they are bad girl, yo. Can't really.
Ah, here. I know why you stand up about my woman, brother. I know why you...
But
no, I don't mean for disrespect you, but here I stand up. That information there, not revealed to me. Me never see nothing like that, so me no want to call, me no want to assumption, and me no want you tell me no, I make my head go. So yo.
Alright, so you see if you don't believe in me, G. You know,
bro. As me say, me no want. Let me find out for myself.
No, I say now home show you, so you can't believe in me. I tell them girl they're a bad girl.
It's alright, bro. As you say.
Just chill, man.
Yo, later.
Alright.
Where you come from?
I'm going to the page. Because you not give me, so I'm going to search for it.
Shanti, where you come from?
You know, you said a while ago. Okay.
Shanti. You know, so I call my boy since the and since morning I'm tell me say I'm bad somebody I may say yo. And he come like say yo, you approve him, right?
Mm-hmm. So you never tell us say I feel bad me.
I now make you. I promise you say me now put me and see your nail cast. And I now make you send me to prison. Shanti, we have a youth together and at this you do. Shanti, at this you do.
What am I doing? You not give me some, go search for it.
Anything you do to me, I will return to you tenfold. Just remember me to tell you that.
A matter of fact, cut the long talking. You see, this you have to go leave. Because him have to move in.
So me I talk to you. And because me I talk to you. Oh. So yeah, so me for leave.
And that me say.
Tell me say you're a joke.
Me look like me a laugh.
Shanti, be careful where you ask her. Take it from me. This is idiot here. Be careful where you ask her. This might just come back for your aunt you. And me, I tell you say, if you make me go through that door today, I can't tell you. I can't tell you, Shanti. Me. I cure your ball, I cure your big, I got alone. Can't tell me look on you. This side. Shanti. This side there you want. Something joke me to run. You tell me about come out. And that's why I didn't know so I should have moved in with you in the first place. You know?
You don't talk. You done with the bag of yapping. You can't leave now. Want me open the door for you?
It's all good. It's all good. Just remember, say, me, it hurts. Yes, it hurts. But me, I will get over. I will be back on my feet again. Just remember today when I tell you that. May God bless you. Keep you.
Papa. Oh, what one? No, man. Where the head?
And I pocket here.
Where that about? Listen, man. Cool. That's cool enough for that, man. And you got. Is it? I got twice.
What me I talk about, Papa? Because you jump to conclusion. What me I talk about?
Maybe
you guilty of something?
No, not really.
You not really. Not really. Yes, no. What?
Wait, alright. Get it. Come not really understand where I try to say. You know, because we just go down, pull a little cool thing, and follow my, alright. Maybe you're fine. Maybe she tell her, yeah.
Oh, so you admit, say, you're there with Mama.
No, man, I don't really there with her. She just call me.
You're not really what?
She just call leave me. I said she had spent her one night. No, so alright. Do her one night. I'm making you some PM cards into the truck from the give you pie, you know? But if she tell me they wanna left. So me I say, boy, if you left then we take her up. But me didn't know that when they call me. And she did get ready and me just follow her come down.
Oh, so you wanna call you. And you said to me, say you're a bad girl.
Yeah, me I give her hint. Yeah. Me I give her hint. But she think that somebody else me I talk to on the phone. That's why me tell you, me I tell her, come, but you hang up.
That's right. Tread lightly.
No, man.
Papa,
And that's how we grow, man.
shed the light.
You know some woman make you share.
Me? I'm not going to hurt you. Because they understand say a woman. But you and me, you know, you're going to do it to another man. Papa, I take you as a friend. As a virgin. Papa, we are far from day one. When the boss nearly lick you down and me the boss lick because I run out for save you. And this are the payback.
No, me thank you enough time. Me tell you thanks. Me never used to go to church and me go to church.
Papa.
Me thank you.
Papa, so whatever you do to me, it will come back 10 times and more.
No, no, but I pray for that, man. It be say, yo, we had him left, so. When we have, man.
I mash up my life.
Oh!
It's all good. It's all good.
No, for real.
Papa.
How many weeks?
Shanti, tell me to come out of the house because you are coming. She never mentioned say you, but she said me to make space.
Shanti tell us, you fi come out of the house because me a movie.
I teach you to talk or it sound better when I say it. I want to know because I don't understand what I just said. Yeah, repeat what I said.
So Shanti want me to left my little boogie way to go live with her.
Papa, job well done.
No,
Big up yourself.
No, my brethren, yo, we can't reason this out. Man, sit down back. Shanti, shut too much. Alright. You see anything when you create, you're going to solve it in a wicked out here. Tired like a dog, man.
You ever tired?
No, man, remember me have to walk to you, man. And you kill me out. So you want a real bad man, you know, so. I have to bad it up still, what I say so. But, me have to take a break from you. A little, you know.
What do you mean take a break from you?
No, me have to visit my yard too. I 3 days I skip my yard and I can't do that.
Who you have in your yard?
Me not nobody in my yard, but I just me alone. But still have to
So
give
you
me.
run the yard go do?
Sometimes a man needs space. Remember say
You can't stay, that's why I give you space.
no, bad man have to have them real toughy. You know, target out space. You see me? So I don't want you to come go on like say, be for Tanya forever.
But you never say if it's Tanya forever.
Yeah, and that's you want hold me act. Remember, you know, you put out your man, you know, because you want to feel pain. Yeah, we understand, say, you love rough sex. You love when time you box it up and beat it up, you see me? But sometimes you have to give myself some time. I want to treat them yard. I miss me yard, you know. I have some clothes down there for washing, if you clean up. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So if I see me for 3 days, you have to just roll with it. You gotta get the point.
Mm-hmm.
So how was it?
It was okay.
It was okay. Oh, you're a bad man to take for you that. I take me for you that.
May I take it for you then?
You're contact boy. You are okay. Say yes! I'm not going to grab me on my throat. But them something that that's why you see sometimes you have to cut your 2 boxes, man, because you're going like you're a nerd. You're a nerd, man. You're a nerd. You're a nerd. Listen, my virgin have me up sick of you know. Yeah, me never remember. Yeah. When you see me one day on the rain I fall, it told me shame. My bail could have looked on the man. They try to hide. And boy, I couldn't believe that man have you because of you. You're stupid. You shouldn't tell him to me. You shouldn't tell him to me. You shouldn't do that.
Me never tell him say you.
Why?
You figure it out.
Eh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you come like, you know, I'm up now. That door, I'm going to, you know.
How will you look for?
I alcohol, me look for, man.
Say I look for alcohol you open the door?
Come feel like I couldn't breathe through it just a while ago. I don't like it. I don't like it. You have to chill sometime, man. Eh? Yo, every time you feel beat you, why? Me don't like beat you, man, although me a bad man. And a bad man will remain as a bad man. You understand?
Me understand you.
Why you understand? Yeah, good. You understand me, man. I like that. Oh, I think there's somebody walking in the yard, you know, because I go, hey, I go for Matic, you know, man, and
Me never yet see you with Matic, and you love to talk about Matic.
don't worry about that, man. Me have my gun seal on my yard. That my 20 gonna come down.
Okay.
You don't worry about that. Just enjoy your life and go and relax. Go all asleep.
As this man sexy sleep. I want this man. What can go so? I could have beat on my door. I'm going to phone. How can I help you?
Get a direction for the house. Who you? I have some yes and a man there.
Which man?
You have my money in your house, I hide or what? What do you mean, which
You
man?
look like a kidnapper, miss. Me not have no man hide here.
Me a no idiot. Me know how my man look. From back way, side way, front way, everywhere. You can't stop me from coming at this. Me a go prove it today. You should even take off my shoes. Can't say a lie. What you doing here, so?
So where
And
you
who
eating
she?
up supper? Who she?
The woman,
Your woman.
Who
So
she?
who me be?
the girl.
You're a girl. And she a woman.
Where are you?
What do you mean when me a do here? What you are doing here?
Oi! What is a going in my house?
What going on? Right.
Alright, just say a woman, not true.
What really?
How your woman find me yard?
What really are going on?
Yo, relax, you know. Relax your
How
mouth.
your woman find me yard?
Relax your mouth, you know.
Nobody can talk to me like
my
say.
woman attack you, relax your mouth, you know. Come in at this, you know. Sit your ass down. Sit down.
What the what could that?
Sit down. Look, I work, me get time to just come work. She have paid me for work. I'm tired of me I catch her sleep.
Me, I pay you for do what? What me I pay you for do?
Shut up!
Yeah. Me find a way. And me see culprit.
You are coming.
Me find a way, man. Taxi man drop me off the right place. And then me see one little dirty girl in her. And you know, so my man lay down off in a bed. Who else catch free asleep? Me make sure so me take him picture. Because me know he lie. I when I see him panic he say a lie. So me have a picture in my phone because me know he stay. Then the little dirty girl when have in here so I can chat about who me. But at the same time, I want to know how she know where yourself, my friend. Thank you for giving me the direction. Me find a way. When me see you later, me talk to you and tell you this look. I never go so.
She take a picture.
You ask me something, I don't know.
Your dream, man. Your dream.
Dream.
I work me get.
What you doing at woman bed if I work? You get you working at the bed?
No, I'm not working at bed. Me, she come to wake up the yard.
When?
So, hold on. You work with her?
Yeah, she give me work.
So, you dey work with her and you dey there with her?
No.
So, two type of work you do with her. So, if I rake, you dey rake. What you doing at bed?
I'm tired.
So, garbage in this bed there. You have garbage in the bed. Where you rake it out. So, you're supposed to rake out all of the garbage. You supposed to rake out all of the garbage out of this bed.
Why you embarrass me?
Eh? So, now me understand. And know for your lifestyle, say you don't want no good woman. You like rake out garbage out of bed.
Me think you did say you're a bad man.
Shut your mouth! Me didn't tell her that.
Oh, so you have strength to shout after me.
Hold on.
You can't shout after she.
Oi. Oh, you, calm me now, so. I'm not care who for host this. I'm not response for that right now. Yeah, hear what me I say? Listen what me I say and stop telling people my business. Lucky thing say lies. Now I want you. You chat too much, man. You don't like man, you love chatting, I want you. What you do you so? Look at you act like you're a baby now. And you're there behind me back a cheat for me. Yeah, what?
Me not cheat, me I do nothing.
You know, just tell me, say you're in the bed and creep out garbage.
No, me I sleep.
I rake you the rake.
No, me did a rake out the door.
But you're catching in the bed.
Yeah,
so that means garbage in the bed too, so you don't rake out it. Till you drop a stick because you're tired. Eh? So when you come home now, you don't have no time for me. I say, nobody now come out of this. I want to feel like. Nobody now come out of this.
You're not reason about this. Reason that no.
What you mean? Me and she reason. Are you look her? Girl, are you look me man or him look you?
Him look me.
Me look you?
Hold on.
Yes.
How long since you know me, man?
Couple months.
A lie.
Achoo.
A lie. I just want to hear she left put out her man and tell me to come over here, come keep her company. Me I tell her the truth. To come keep her company, but me tell her, I say, listen, me have my woman. So
lie,
me not going to do nothing.
Lie.
You know, to take over go see me, I sleep, right? Me sleeping like cat.
So how you sleep in our next woman bed when you have your woman? The wait must be 3 days now and 3 nights. Me not see you no tall in my eyesight. What is the problem?
I tell me I kidnap
me. Me look like a kidnapper? Don't tell a lie for me.
No, machete, Tina, right now.
No, me not have machete.
No, you what?
It's so.
She have a deal. She have a deal, remember me tell her. She have a deal. Her husband when she put out have 50 million to collect, right?
How would that concern me and you? I feel with money?
No, you know. That's the deal coming between me and you. No.
No. So you plan for woman money?
Don't touch me.
I catch you and catch me with your girl money.
No, she will give me.
Where you do buy out the story?
No.
No come out of it.
No.
Mine know you point up your. Hey, no me post bad out.
You want to lose it?
Mine know you point up your finger in my man face now. Oi, so. See me good, can't satisfy you.
You can't. No, she will give me 20 million.
I money you talk about. So woman can buy you away from me. You're cheap.
No, baby, but you never get. And you may work if
So me if allow you to sell your body, if you come give me money. How that good? That means say, me and you can make a deal then. Since as a that you depend. You want to hear the deal? Because you're too hype. You want to hear the deal? Eh? You want there with she continually while me get a next man? Come remember say you're jealous like dog.
No.
Remember say you not even want answer fly touch me. You not even want to see one man run you, you're ignorant and fool.
No, baby, no.
So, but you want to do what you don't want me to do. No. Is that fair? May I ask you a question? That fair? For you cheat on me, you're a womanizer, and me just sit down at home like a yamed? Eh?
No.
Where you take me for fool and some dunce? Look here, you see the literate girl where you talk to, and I come go on like I want to style me, I can't even walk in my shoes. And that you do?
You can't walk in my shoes that my wife is to be.
Your wife to be, you're in our next woman bed. You're a wicked, I see if me and you did married, you don't can't matrimonial bed. You're a wicked, evil, lucky drunk.
Because the ones ring the funny finger, them, that means it's sealed, everything sealed. Me want to do it. So we can't go now, we come on.
Go which part? If me never come in here so you're down there sleep still, you breathe her? Eh? Because sometimes when you don't breathe woman, you know, you fall asleep instead of a woman. See there? Or something she give you make you can't wait.
I told she knocked me, she kidnapped me, I have me a 3 days and hold me with
and you have the heart to tell me, I'm finna come home over 3 days now. 3 nights now, me ain't asleep. And me call you on phone and you go tell me about I work here, I work for 2. Because see, I rake out the trash out of the bin. You rake out the trash out of the bin because you already tell me say I rake did I rake out trash.
Get one 20 million. Tell her. Please tell her say your husband don't get
Oi.
Me?
Yeah.
You see money. For what?
You don't want to live. You don't live your life.
Hello, you better talk fast enough.
Me no money I give nobody.
A money talk and bullshit walk. You see, if me not hear what me want hear right there, so I dead before this now. Yo, sit down there, so. And not say nothing to me. Are you, hey girl, go over there, so. Go over there, so.
You better listen. You better.
Take down here and shut there. Look, yo, shut up.
Come on, I'm ready.
Yo, Me no want you not talking for now. Make the deal right here so now. If you don't want the excitement creating in this community here, right now, make a deal. And listen, straight to my account. How much money you give me, girl, and not make me see you back with my man again. I pay me if you know, slap you down a ground right now, you know. And that me I tell you. And me I give you one message. To go tell your family them say, anyhow, me see you with my man again. Or even if me not see you, I just hear me ear. Or glimpse you. Hey? You're not going to stand up on 2 feet. You're going to lay down on your back. Hold that.
Pass my phone, give me.
Yo, send it to my account. You see you? You know my account number. How many phone and give me can you put in there? Come and knock out the 2 on in here where you feel like.
Send.
It in there? Come in here, kid. Oh, I think I take it on silent. Lucky. Oh, lose the style. You have running belly. Sit down and wait until me tell you figure out.
Oh, what's up? The briefcase. Yes. The briefcase of money. Yeah, man.
You look like you own something in a girl house. A long time you are there. Come out. Chat. Come out, Junko. You see you? You see, you can never send the money at this savior. The money you have to pay to survive in this life. Pay to live in this life. You understand? Because if you not pay to live, you know say, if it's not life, it's death. All that. I'm not talking with your girl. Let me see you back with my man again. I not like it. I'm serious. Next time I now come empty handed. You might tell you about me about you'll see it in your face next time. That me
I want this funny.
Sister girl. You know, say I want to be your car. You're free now. You know, that's what you
Say I walk up on now. Say I
yes.
no.
No, I'm not mad at you. Me really want to see. Really want to see you, cause you know, see you're mad. You're mad. You're psycho. I don't know if out of my mother, vagina you come true. You know if I come from the said mother because you're mad. You have a good man, you know. You're good man. You left him. And so you want bad man, you want people fist in your face. You want pain. You know what is pain? Pain is when they pan period. Pain is when they pan period. And the pain they want? But you want man to thump in your face. See, you know, you pick up big idiot. Big fool papa, you pick up. When you have woman, I beat him. The woman not beat him. Eh?
I lecture you really come yourself to lecture me?
Yes, because you're fool. You're the bigger one, you have no sense like you never go to school.
I don't know say me the bigger one. Why you raise a voice after me?
No, listen to me. You say true, you have no sense. If you short off you understand, you have no sense. Where you want man to beat up for, you idiot? Where you want man to beat up for? Eh? Where you want man to... Move first. Not too close to my face. Not too come close to my face.
I'm really a talk to you.
No, but you're bad now, you know. No bother with you.
You know what I'm saying?
I play me in the place soft. I'm bad man.
You're a bad man.
You're bad when you're around me. Well, you're bad when you're around me.
No, me a
you're
bad man.
You think I'm a bad man? When in the round too.
Oh.
Bad man for you, but not bad man for she.
No, you don't. Me box down. If you go, me box down that.
Where?
Every time I know man come and hear you.
Yeah, me go and go box down that.
Something I chat so
you tell me the money, and me get the money. Me just give him 2 clap and say, yo, send the money in my account. Now, so I know what you are talking about.
Watch it, I'm sure some man a bad man. I'm sure you demonstrate some man a bad man.
What am I talking about?
Lord.
I want that.
I want this one. Alright.
Relax yourself. Relax. We are trying to prove a point. Relax.
You're a bad man, so me a try to show you you're a bad man.
If I laugh at pronouns.
If I did bad man box me down long time. I idiot this. This is your fool.
Oh, yes, you tell me that, Calvin.
You don't know
You, because you act like one.
Box him right now, you not lick your back.
Yo.
Chuck him down, you not lick your back.
Yo talking, now go shape me again.
Listen me.
Cause after when me see one ready, none of what you say can shape me again.
What happened?
What happened with
the
that?
woman find me yard. I come over there, come beat him.
Lion!
Hey. The whole community here because your woman up big.
Oh my. So where woman there now? Where woman there? I'll beat you.
You believer?
But the whole community here, so obviously she gonna believe.
You know, say I want idiot.
Me a idiot.
No, you're the idiot.
Me a the idiot.
How you again?
Oh, I'm a sister. But I'm here to
Yes,
say
I
that
know
she
that.
got the same.
I know that. It's not the first I'm seeing you. It's not the first to meet.
So you ask me for?
So where you come and
Because you rank. So I say, oh,
Who rank?
Where you come
When
and
I
suffer?
tell it, below you know that smell. Come, me no rank. I'm a
Where you come and suffer?
No, we say not touch me. When we say,
Where you come and...
when we say to you, relax.
Nah,
What's the man but off my finger
Relax.
nail?
You talk. You talk.
You don't have no sense. No boy can do me that. No day, no time.
You ever have a man before?
No.
Good. So shut your mouth. Your sister loves me because me.
A
Pan it
idiot
up.
that. And a true vagina she come but at the other door she come out through. And at the vagina at the other door.
Which other door?
The other door I done there cause I could never the vagina cause me come to the vagina and me have sense and me last come out.
Shut up, cut.
No cut. You don't but you got tight your belly around your wrong got and that she come through cause she no got no
No,
sense.
say this me.
You don't have none.
You are this me,
Who are this you?
Yo, yeah.
Get some
Don't touch
sense.
Me I call link you later.
Link who?
No rest over here
Me
woman.
think you man come here so fi apologize.
No,
You come top up your face and I talk about, oh, me a call link you later.
Alright, my woman say apologize to you.
Your woman, so why your woman not come here so herself?
No, cause she afraid.
Afraid.
She not bad
She
woman.
afraid.
Me say
She
me go
don't
go thump her
afraid.
As
eye,
far
eye.
as this she not afraid of nothing.
Sit to me.
So why
Ask
she
me
not there
carefully.
herself?
Sit to me.
Just
So
relax,
she-
man. Don't just
Relax.
argue too much.
She
Yo, yeah, man. Now follow your sister now. Because you see if you follow she, you turn idiot.
Are you right now? You are turning me an
Look
idiot.
at Fanny. What are you saying? You said me tell you now say you left good rich man come pick up clothes. Me not top person agree. You don't know.
Let me tell
Go
you
in your
this.
yard. Go in your yard. Go
Bad
in your
man, no.
yard.
Bad man no beard. Bad man no do them head. Real bad man just out a road a bar.
Okay, me think you're a bad man, but no, me know you're a mad man. A mad man alone, me know no beard. One.
Talk to you. Me come
One.
Me come go about me. But you know how much. You just
You know what?
So everybody just go and listen. What's up?
Yeah.
Don't worry, bad man.
Oh, so you're serious? Me never tell some no you're in the yard.
We tell her to be a check later. Oh, dear man.
Don't touch me. Don't touch. Hello, oi, it's you man there.
Come here. Now go in there. Don't put another step. Come out here to me.
I see.
Come. You're not left this area there. What sweet you go and so are you? Come on.
No, you know. I see.
So why you take off your clothes?
No. Oh.
Put on your shirt.
No, me don't know how you come on. No.
Put on your shirt. Me know say no know you come off. You come off invisible. Don't teeth your shirt.
Me
Come.
me just remember me did hot.
Yeah, don't be take
Me
care
did
of
hot,
you.
and
Don't
me
be
take
teeth
care of.
for you. Come.
But you know if me I do nothing. Me don't do nothing.
Where they do back at the yard when you tell us
How me
say
reach over here, so?
Yeah, ask me.
How me reach here,
Ask
yard?
your 2 foot them.
How me reach here? Babes, listen up. I'm going to tell you the truth. She tell me say you're over here. She call the phone and tell me say over here. And we have. You want to talk to me and you.
button up your clothes. I say you want to look on the road and come and get
Me
yard.
call your phone. When?
Why you make sure lick every time? I want
I don't mean to
Why
I
she
see
put
you
her
lick.
hand for you?
I see you
You're not still in a business?
No.
So what this right here so?
Me don't want her.
Me not understand. Explain yourself. Quick and fast.
You know
Before me give you a
Alright.
high five.
Alright. Don't tell her what happened. She called me, said she give me one.
Oi, I saw me see a little while in you can't see your name going there enough.
No, me
you
never
got
go-
rubbish again out of the bin. So,
No.
you put up one in your foot
No,
to say
me-
me never. Hey, you know farm me the trail you from?
Me assure.
Eh?
Me assure.
I'm glad she had trailer and sister I'll be a liar tell.
Hey girl, you look like you love people, man. Cause you the arbor me.
Me,
You the arbor me, man. Yes,
I
so.
say, oh, me a arbor I'm here.
You see any of your breed? He not take it. Cause me never tell you say you fi go give away your front for free. Oi, button up your clothes and come on and come out of this. Cause me don't want to get myself in a no problem.
No, but you don't understand me. I try to tell her, say, she tell me, she call and tell me, say, you're over here. So,
Me? When me a do a you idiot, all butterfoot, Girl, yeah.
Maybe your money you can't look at me now. Say sometimes you licky for your money.
No rank with me. No rank with me. No rank with me. You know say enough to rank with me already. Girl, no just send too much million in the account.
You're embarrassed me in front of that.
Don't call me no dad.
Yes, you say a fool. Yamed. Yes, you say a fool. You're there with people, man, and them a call you Yamed in front of them. Yes, you say you're stupid.
I know only Yamed. I know only
Yamed.
Straight in there, he did a come. Me see him, me a trail him from way down a Woiwo.
Actually, I think I have a pumpkin feel.
Which?
I didn't want to curve.
So a pumpkin feel you like?
No, I just want to curve out that little...
So you want to turn me in a pumpkin feel or me not turn in a it for you so you can get...
I never want to go wild, so me tell her I can help her with the feel.
Feel?
Yeah.
So she have, how much you call her now?
Yeah, how much you call me? How much you call?
So you weed out, I'm Lana, you don't know how much you can be. You see I idiot? You see that whole the way they use and weed out people and come carry back ground. Me tell you that. Come, go so. Anything where they give me man up, you know say I tell your time? I tell your time, because I don't see you have nothing in there so when you want. More than you, they act like you're rich. I must see all your parents' money, your teeth. Because I hear say you have no money. Go so. Where you do? Where you do? Where you try to do?
No,
you're in love. You send a kiss with roses before you leave. Take with yourself.
You see me do that?
What me say if you do? Go on in your yard. Come on, look. Go on in your yard before me mash you up here. You hear me I tell you? You see all you girl? Me want you already, you know. And you make me come back and catch you man I take time I tiptoe in your house. You come out ready to open up door to let him in. Say the in vehicle him to come in your yard.
Then they safe.
You see anything where they look for? You go so are you. Me love the warning first, you know. Yes, when me can't give the warning no more, then you will find out. Come out here, don't complain.
Plastic man favor.
Night and king. I make time and all that come rain falling.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh.
Warning, man. Warning. I move so. You're bad man, you want me to put it in. You want to put it in.
Yes, put it in. Put it in now. Put it in if you're bad. What did you just say you do? Put it in.
What you do?
Hey girl, why you love take people man so?
Me and take care man.
You can't find your one man, you run with your man and take people. Alright, stay on it. You
couldn't wait till we come in. I'm going in.
Alright, big up yourself. You're bossy. You're bossy. You're bossy. Alright.
Let me try to save you before you come in.
Move! Open up this. Open up the door. Outside and bright.
Every time I see you, I see trouble.
Put it in.
Yeah, man, I put it in.
What do you mean? You not smell like piss. You not care out for your piss from morning and how much o'clock now. You not smell like piss, so them a nasty girl you want. Girl we are pissing at chimney.
No.
Then girl and a flush toilet, so you want them kind of girl like they make you used to things too much.
Some man say when you rent you better, because you know until you have goat, and you have goat, you have kill goat, the goat have to rent.
How you call goat?
You never call the goat.
Hey, a long time if you bust up your face now, girl. You want to leave me man alone, you know. Oi, me want you leave me man alone.
Yeah,
you want me
come
to
and
tell
help
you?
the cut
I don't want to dust you out.
Hey,
I tell you a long time if you leave me man alone, you always shut your mouth in here. Shut up your mouth.
Help you, babes. May I help you?
Help me do it. Put it in.
Oi, you come out. Take out the.
See, I'm God Almighty thing. See there? See there? Piss. Me know me smell piss for a long time. Come out. Come out. Come out. Wear shoes. Come out.
Yes, you. Yes, you.
Come out.
I dash you with fear, right?
Me I go dash you with fear. Yeah, because me piss in there, so me I dash you with fear. Stand up, me I chat to you.
Huh?
Stand up. Oh, you're there in a house with woman who don't care about them piss from man. Look on this a big old, this a big old piss spot here. Eh? Iowa. So you think me need to trail you? Your fees say me not have your upon you.
So
your fees say me not have some satellite dish in the area.
So-
Anywhere you them, you know.
So
Boy,
you watch me.
take that. Boy, you smell rank or beard. And that you do a this me and I give me bun.
I feel
Look at me
this
now.
way.
Nasty girl, yeah.
I feel this way.
No, I really
Big
want
old
up here, so.
It's that.
What do you? You make a man dash piece by the picture and catch me.
Hey, yo. Come out of people business.
No.
Come out of people business. Nobody no call you, yeah, so. And that you forget. That you forget me want you a long time.
And I you say you're a bad man.
Hey, girl, I should have hear about me that she piss
I
in, you
you
know.
say
Cause you're piss.
That's true. It's
I you
embarrassing.
say you're a bad man. And I take piss in her face. What can go so?
He go so. Because you nasty. And you know much
Me nasty, but me not take piss in my face.
After 5 I go 6.
What
And
can
daylight
go
from
so?
morning. He go so. And this go so. What can go so? And
Now
this
come
go
back
so.
to
The
me and tell me
nastiness
what
you
you
have in the from
Listen,
morning.
me done with you, you know.
Then oh you
Me
know
done
no
with you
know.
long
Me
time.
done with you because you're
Come out of
pissed.
me yard.
Right?
Oh yo.
Done with that. Me not.
You know
You
no
all not
nose.
come out of me yard.
You no have no nose. As me
When-
go in there me smell rankness.
Me want
And
tell
you
you
in the
something.
bowl put let me put it in and you no smell like the piss there.
Yes, when.
That mean the girl no beard from mine but you see when. Me no want you nothing fry you.
When man, they put a pump mission or where you want to call it, we don't have no smell. We just
You know it's cock up.
we
In
just
time
check
there.
it. 'Cause if we know it open up and we smell anything, we nature dead. And that is the
So
thing.
you
the
have
secret.
cock up nose solution. Go on. Go on to your yard. And make me reach home before you. Go to your yard. Go to your yard right now. If me never take one taxi and reach one. What me say if you do? You look like you're dead. You're dead. Yo. Hey girl. My last warning me I give you. Hear me?
Come out of me yard, miss.
Last warning. Me I give you the last warning. Alright.
Kim, how you run this hide for?
Ashanti, you get it, I see. Y'all beat them man and come in and eh? Put me a second. I say you're pissed the rank. We say look at
That
me,
no
piss catch
concern
me. I must be thinking I'm done out. You never take out your chin, you have to make me come here, go take out the fear. You see that ambition?
Yes, sister, you know? You feel
So,
have me back.
have your back with a ranking pace. Me say, me get a news say. And you have to come up here. Type, but me never know say a she, nobody know say a she, me no come up here. You know, see me on tall. You mad?
You don't say.
I'm afraid of she.
If you have manners,
Good one.
you don't know manners.
Me no man doing.
You don't know manners.
What would that manners
You're
doing?
bigger sister, you know? You have to show respect.
Oh, you have sense.
The man that has no
Yeah.
sense, but you have to show respect.
Show respect.
Hi, good afternoon.
Christ.
And who you, sir?
Oh God. How I ring, son?
I'm a sister piece, but I try things that me a smell. My sister piece. I just say dash with
You
my
sick?
one man.
No. Anyways, and I really that me did come out. No, sir. Oh God.
You know him?
Your
No.
ex, your boyfriend, or is your ex-man? I think he's your ex-man now. Oh yes, you never know. Say he actually did done build up 2 houses. Yes. Man, I go on good, you know. I go on good then. I even did find out say you're even pregnant for him.
Pregnant? Who pregnant?
She pregnant.
How you know my business?
She pregnant.
So then, man, me and the man is good friend. And he tell me everything. I actually go check if you're alright. Yes, pregnant.
Wait. Who breed you?
The ambitious one.
Ambitious one breed you. And you have the idiot one and walk and the baby again.
Jesus.
Could you become like a fool? Hello!
Tap me business.
So that's why the man left her.
She put out the man because she want a man with a beat her. But I never beating man in take up is an idiot man when wanna beat him every day.
I say go. So.
No, that's never the problem.
So you don't have a house and you don't have a man. You're single.
He have a
I have a house and my house.
a few houses.
You're single.
We have to
You want a man.
Yes, but I love to take.
No. You have business in your face. You know what man with me. But what you want?
Sorry.
What is not this? Are you here look for?
So yeah. Yeah, sorry, officer.
Your house look nice though. It's a grand.
Thank you.
2 room and with door already. It look nice. Anyways, want to talk to you, can't follow me go home. We can go hold a conversation. Come on, talk to you in private.
Anything you have to say to me, you can say to me, so I'm here alone there, so.
They say bush have ears.
Well, obviously. I'm not going to go down here because I'm not make you set me up.
Me? Set you up? Me will never do that. Remember, you're my baby father. Make you cut the dirty boy from yesterday. So him not did it.
You kick him out. That nothing to do with me. Oh. Run from the pain now. As me say, just the way I say, because I have a whole time. See me I walk come up my back bus. So not. I want to get the load off from back. I want to cool off. I want to go sort out. I have to sort out. If I go back to work tomorrow, so. Just run the lyrics. I'm here with you, because I have a whole day, so.
I know say the boy him not as bad as what me think. See I'll carry woman in my place. And you are the woman are the bad one because she deal with me like a fear house. And I box him, I kick him all that short in his face.
That's on you, Shanti. That's on you. You are never for deal with that. You wanna put on yourself in that predicament there? You wanna take on yourself out. You walk and look for me what I'm supposed to do. You the one feel pain. But try to explain to you say you wanna saw this thing go. I try for nourish you. I try for cherish you. But guess what? It was too much for you to handle. You can't handle a real man. Now you run. Stay in your pain. As I say, more move go up so more go up on me yard, you know. So just talk where you have to talk. If that you don't talk?
No, me not done talk. Me just want you come back. Or you me can't move come up at your place. Remember me baby mother you know? And the belly constantly grow.
That's expected. That's a given. If you're pregnant, the belly must grow. So what I say? Shanti, you waste my time. Yo, I go up go get some things though. No disrespect. Go chat another time. But also what I say, not really make no sense to me.
Wait.
Shanti, just sorry. I don't mean for assault, but hear me say now.
But remember the baby.
What about the baby? I don't understand.
But pregnant the baby I gonna need you.
I know that. And as soon as the baby born, I shall be there. Be there in the sense for come check on the youth. That's it. Provide what the youth need. I think you have to take that baby thing too far, you know, like you use the baby as a scapegoat, you know. But you hear me I say, don't play with me youth. If you want me here, you good, don't play with me youth. I don't have nothing personal against you, but just don't play with me youth. You see that saying they will say if you can't catch Quacker, you catch him shot. Look like that you try now. Like it's true you can't get a hold of me, you know. You want to use the baby like you hurt the baby, you know. My friend, know what you do. Know what you do. If you want me here good, don't take a chance with me youth. Don't go on like you want to hurt me youth.
You don't know my house by now, sis. I'm there.
A good one, me not see you.
I couldn't tell when me see you.
Yeah, sis, come up over there. Sis, come here.
I run out of the house. Come here,
That's what I make you run, sis. I have to run, sis.
Because every check on tell me, oh, me to run my life. Oh, me here say how I want up here beat you.
Who tell us so?
Your sister.
Right.
Sometimes
Bush, if
one
I
day
did
come-
pure life, me I live still. Me want that the life there me can't get it.
The
Because my man,
the life they don't nice, trust me.
my man say not do it because I'm a good man. You know see, you
You
know
know,
see
be glad,
sense
you
that
be glad say you get a good man.
But me don't think that is showing love.
Man, I just show her she had to do most things there make me there see me in but I say one day I got tired of it. But me I tell you,
But
sister
I really
nothing
like to
good.
see your woman do where I beat you.
What make you want
She
to?
make 50?
She no 100 now. She I'm not
Me no mean so. Me mean how she look. Or 100, which one?
She stay like a sister.
You not clean the way I do that the woman there. You can't manage that the woman there.
What?
You not you say
But
but
they
you
not see me
see.
now build mostly little time.
Not twice your size.
Twice my size. No, really. See I got.
Me no catch you now.
What you do?
I want the backside.
Jesus
What you-
Christ,
what
no,
you do?
no, you can't fight him, my sister. No do that. You're mad, you know.
I just have my money in your arm.
My sister. How do you?
You who?
My sister.
Hello.
Me no want to get on that.
Oi. Look. My sister. Me no woman. So why you angle me like
Look
this?
how my other sister come in, you never war.
Are you woman this?
Yeah, I'm a woman.
You have a right to free that.
Me
Me
no want no girl there on you.
I want thing, you know. I want thing me have to tell you.
Me no believe. Me no believe say your sister.
It's yourself. Stop.
I want this.
I'm a sister.
I want thing me have to tell you. You can't stop me from calling my brother, yeah?
Relax. Relax. Now they get relax. Calm
You
down.
might be the woman, but I'm your sister.
Go on, sis. Go on. I'm mad woman, you know. I'm mad woman, sister. I don't say mad too.
How we are all mad?
You're really mad.
Where you go? May I tell you
I
something,
don't want
sister?
to
You
really
still a try
pick up.
fighting.
You don't have no ambition.
I say it still. I'll him run my sister.
Me no want a girl here. Me no want you run a girl. That's why me no make you work. That's why me no make you work. That's why I make it turn a yard. Me very, very jealous when it come towards you. So me no understand why. Me no tell us me no want nobody a yard.
My sister just go and look for me.
A son we use game and talk about sister.
What do you mean?
I better say no cook 'cause you out a cock up with the man.
Food ready. Sister, that's go on now. The food. Not paying no mind. Just go in that.
No touch me.
Not share food, yeah.
Don't touch me. Food better already.
I take off your bag. You see I left your bag. Guys.
How are you done? Bull cow? A dog?
Me glad me see you.
Me glad. Me must see you get the glad in the boat.
No, that. Stop forget about that.
Get off some boat then.
No, brother, big old fat bullfrog.
You
Beat
mean-
me
you
over
mean
the
her?
sun. Yes, she beat me. And run me out.
So no good something that?
What you mean a good something that?
You see how people who beat they finally get somebody
Me never see a woman. Why would I want a woman to beat me? And then he's so big and ugly. Listen. I'm going to talk to that girl then.
Man, you need to call you make she beat up and nobody can beat up. Come look. You can't beat me up. You need to come
What you mean nobody can beat you?
So you need to come on my karate
You
class
say-
and me learn
you
karate.
meet her before?
Me meet her before.
You
me
say
go-
big and fat?
Me see
You
how
say
she
your
is.
maga?
Yes, and so me know to fight karate. Me can't fight. Come on my karate class, somebody want beat up you, cause you're an idiot. How you make a girl beat up you? Where your brother did it? What you did it?
Try to turn up there at child party and instead he will get licked too.
Because I tell you say the woman betray. I tell you say she betray day and night. Every day in betray. Eh? Every day in betray. And you see truth, me tell you this. You see trade now not sense. You see pussy not and trade grow and come up. He make woman take you for idiot. And he bigger than we. And me the little one can push you around. Cause you don't have no sense. You turn us big and fool.
She's sad.
Eh?
You can't go my yard in no cars.
Oh, no sense. Eh? You don't get sense.
You don't look so.
You have a right to say no look so you don't got none. You can't say bring it make it one. You make girl beat up in your run.
I fear yard with them. Well, I don't really fear.
I don't fear yard.
I told she I pay the little bills, she have a little money. Me tell her, she said, get up and go look at work after me. Man, bat abuse her.
Never again, me have to go strap. Me come to my yard.
Where your yard? Me not go over there today. Me not time for them. Got different business to deal with. Eh? Every day. Papi sure.
You know, hey.
Me say, auntie yo.
That to me.
Yes. How you make your little big? Where woman there? Where woman there?
In our house,
So me tell me take my time. Take my time. How you make woman big? You want a sister?
Listen,
You want a sister?
It happened so fast, sir. I mean, I try to tap him and tell him, say, I'm a sister, and it just happened.
Me still not talk to you because you're not no sense. You're not no sense.
Sense. I mean, me not have
You're
no
not,
sense.
no. Listen to me. Listen to me.
What?
You can't deal with somebody when they bat abuse you day and night go. You see a bull buck up the beat you.
Eh?
Every day she get up, she beat you, come, you what? Beat the stick? Eh?
I told me a good man, I can't put me on for a woman.
You can't put her on woman?
No.
You say she put her hand for you, so you push her down, she will drop. You know what I'm saying?
I fully mash up the place.
She not mash up no, she go mash up the place, she not so big.
Oh.
Every day you get up, you make him a beat, you go you beat up. I said to him for his sister. She want a man with a beat her. And a man with a beat her, she have.
Today, I mean, I talk about that too, you know, because I tell him, say, sis, I know good, you know, make you see, like, you have a good man, stay with a good man. If you get a bad man, you go hate it. In a long run, you go sorry at that.
I tell you yesterday, me dey here. And me dey walk up on my business, come and tell me I'm going to go, me know say I go my business. Then I look at she at me see them from community. Me ask her say if a dog or a cow or a donkey or a mouse something that run her done. Poor me never know say I fight you when you fight with she. Eh? Oi, hello, mom,
what your problem?
Mom, me tell her this. Me know karate, you know, start with me like this, you know.
How is she?
How me? You have to say my sister, see me? Me say my fit to say my sister.
I am CM1.
I am CM1.
Yes.
I am CM1. Watch this.
Eh?
Where's the strong part? Listen, I know my sister. This is for you.
No, not kill him. No.
Around with you. Eh? Around with you, my girl.
No, fight.
Control that woman. You think I'm a brother this? No ramp with me, man. Me no ramp. You know what me? Right. Any day me hear say you beat her, my brother again. I done you know. Now put back your hand on him.
I'm tired of
it.
I saw my sister.
I'm
tired of
no ramp with me. Don't that day put her hand on my brother.
I'm tired. She tired of it.
You're bright. No ramp with me, man.
You should
No ramp with me.
You should come out. Come go in.
And you lick one more time, you just go call me. Go call me. Me can't fight. And my idiot sisters and my idiot brother, they not no sense.
She tired of it.
Beat him when me gone. Beat him when me gone. Near you.
So you mean it's time to go in?
Go on in. Get up and go in. I owe me a chat too.
Get
out, me say. Get up.
Talk to you.
Go in, man. Go in. Yawa. Turn up on her. If they want to go and come beat up my brother. Any day she beat you, come call me. Come call me. Bright.
If you talk heavy too.
Heavy. Ow! You must come back out there, girl. I'm not fight with you. I'm tired. Me tired.